Oh shit. Okay, morning squad. Good morning, good morning. Yeah. Looking like gold firmament trend line is coming already, which is great. So what I really want to do over here is I want this 5-minute candle to close above the res as well. So yeah, we'll see. For me, that is not a closure. Let's do this. Here we go. Okay, so yeah, welcome. Just put this here. Looking like maybe we'll have a trend line break very shortly. Let me just go to this. And yeah, should be quite good. Let's do this, that. So yeah, morning. If I go here, so yeah, this is the first touch up here, second touch there, and it's nearly closed above. So yeah, we'll wait for one more candle. We could theoretically move this like that now, but 6 and 2 3s really. Oh shit, what have I just done with that? Oh my god. So yeah, welcome everyone. A good early morning as usual. And yeah, I'm gonna go through analysis over here. 3 minutes left of this candle to close. I just want to make sure that it's reasonable, right? So last daily close bullish, overall very bullish again. Okay, very bullish again, which is good. Okay, let me get this. Let's crack it over here. There you go. 4-hour time frame is closed bearish. Okay, so the last one actually closed bearish over here. Interesting. Looking like it rejected the highs through Asian session. Hourly time frame is coming up. Looking like prices retracing a little bit. The 30 minutes looking like it's making some support at 1785. 15 is also. And yeah, the 5 minute, as I said, is looking okay. So I think the only issue I have is that the 4 hours bearish. Goes bearish. We'll see. I need a closure. Even if it's above a trend line, it's got to be above here. It's got to be above there. What about GJ? We'll take a look in a second. GJ looks like it's done a fuck all for the Asian session, so that's okay. And yeah, and this is could be okay over here. We'll see. Good morning. Let's look what the 15 looks like now. Yeah, the 15, 30 minute looking like it's making some support as well. So we'll see. How's everyone doing, Brian? You been eyeing this up?
I've just jumped on. Morning. How's it?
Morning.
I've just jumped on. I was just looking at GJ there for a second. Let's have a look at this gold.
Yeah, GG, I'll go through as well. Let's take a look at FOREX Factory before I jump in this. Yeah, we're okay. Tap the resistance, rejected a little bit. So may want to move it like this now. Let's close this.
Yeah.
I could do that, and I could do that. Doesn't actually make much of a difference, really. And there we go. Beautiful. I'm kind of glad it came down again, so then when we do break it later on, it's going to be a little bit better. The bearish trendline valid on gold too. Okay, so let's take a look over here for the sells. Well, for me, there's only like one touch here yet. Like they could have it there. It's not really validated, so maybe like this. It's okay, but it is only one touch. So, and if it closes right there, it's right at support. So I wouldn't do that anyway. But yeah, I mean, it could be okay. I think it looks good for buys and sells really, because the 4 hours closed bearish. This one's could continue to fill the wick. Overall, bullish. The daily is just breaking a wick. Look at this hourly time frame. Breaking the low of the previous hourly now. How long is this held on for? Yeah, so look, can you see here that this is a closure above, but it's not the zone, so it's not one yet. It's still messing around. What about GJ? Yeah, we'll take a look at GJ. Looking like it's done nothing much really, to be honest with you, which is good. Only if Asian is boring and rangy, London is okay. Okay, so daily and 4 hour. So the last daily candle. Let's just take a look. Oh shit. So the daily time frame, yeah, it goes bullish, kind of weak bullish though, suggesting that there is a bit of res here that needs to break through. The 4 hour time frame. Looks like it rejected the lows, wicked all the way down, and closed bullish again. So this looks good to continue bullish as well, I think. Take a look at the hourly time frame. Yeah, it's just a little bit of consolidation now from 163.156 to 162.660. So if you look at the 15-minute now, what I'm going to be looking for is probably, well, easier sells will be down here. However, to be honest with you, sells below like there is not bad, because you got clean candles of the Asian lows. That could be good. I think that could be nice. Have you spotted anything yet on GJ? Have you had a look, Bri?
Yeah, it's just like 1 hourly 30-minute range.
Yeah.
So I'm just trying to check high time frame what we can see. Yeah.
Yeah, it's not that nice. It's not the best. So yeah, buys above 163, 174. Very nice. Just take a look. Just go here as well. Wow, 6 AM. Max ain't letting any move get past him. Yep. Oh yes.
163.250. We need a closure above. That's such a strong zone, all the way through to the left, all like far. It's such a strong level. So it's actually 163.210, which is actually the wick of Asian high.
Yeah. I see 290 quite big, 300 there quite big.
Yeah,
10,
that'd
I
be the
can
same.
see there.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is not nice for buys.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think Salisbury 162.850 would be okay. They could continue back, or you could do there. Yeah, 795 is close to 750.
The thing is, the cells, even though it's nasty to the left as well, it's a bit cleaner.
Yeah.
So this is clean. That is cleanish.
Yeah.
So this doesn't look too bad.
Yeah, it's just where to get a sell below would be 870. I think 870. That's a fake out.
Yeah. So anywhere like here, we could get a closure.
Yeah. be good. And then we'll just wait, yeah. So can you see, guys? We finished the last bit of September yesterday and gold back tested. It was good to see, like, there's a lot of entries that you could have taken that were a little bit harder. It was good to see them all. So yeah. Is the chat coming up now? Oh, it is. Get in. Thank God for that. Beautiful. I look like a tomato right now with my burnt skin. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see with this gold 5-minute trend line break. It could be okay. It could be okay. We'll take a look at EJ as well. EJ. So yeah, we finished. Today I'm going to update the GJ, but finished September. September was like 35%, 36% on that 5-minute gold trend line. So pretty decent. Pretty decent.
Max, did you like the sells for gold or not? Only the buys?
The issue you have is that there's no trend line for me yet because, like, you know, there's one there,
Yeah.
too steep.
Yeah.
There's one there which is just a tap, not being respected, so that's false. And then there's one here, which was there and it closed below there, didn't it?
Yeah.
This one did this close below. The issue you have is it's not close below support, so it's just fucked. So yeah, none of them make sense to me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
It's alright, and it's looking like it's making some support here as well, so that's good. It's good for the break. Is Manuel running up these buys again? Is he here yet? Oh,
it's morning.
Morning.
Manuel's waiting, man.
Manuel's waiting.
Waiting to pounce.
Yeah, I'm waiting for this hourly bottom wick, which is making now. I think if we break this trend line, we're gonna go up.
Yeah, I agree. I agree. Hopefully that above that little res here, like there, getting on the retest. It will be pretty good. If you got in here, stop loss is going to be 10 pips. Wow. Nice.
Tops are so small after Asian session.
Yeah.
Because the Asian session usually moves so little, or the range that moves is so little.
Ooh, that's a nice Joey boy, yeah.
I have that same ascending one.
Yeah, it's much nicer. Yeah. Add 2 look at that as well. Beautiful. So the daily right now is bearish, and EJ looking like the 4 hours ranging pretty damn hard, which is a bit unfortunate. Oh, why is my thing fucking creaking again? And then this is the resistance. And yeah, this range is pretty big, to be honest with you. Holy shit. He sells below 137,250. Buys above 678 to 138. Very nice. That's good. I think I'm pretty happy with that. And that we went the 4 hour time frame. Yeah, this looks pretty shit, to be honest with you. Even the zones look, you know, okay, and they look big enough, like there. The actual stop loss is pretty fucking shit. So, not stop loss, sorry. The actual zone is just not the nicest. Yeah. I want to go get a coffee, but I'm worried I'm gonna miss this gold.
It's only like 2 meters away from you, mate. Go quick.
Nah, I'm gonna wait until this candle closes, and I got 5 minutes.
So just take your phone or something, it'll send you a message.
Yeah.
It's closing above.
Yeah, I think you should have time, Max. 5 minutes.
Okay. Okie dokie.
Okay, now Max is taking too long for his coffee.
Yeah.
I think Maxi opened his fridge. He started to eat remainings of the kebab from last night.
Man, how did you get on with that trade yesterday? Where did you close it? Or did you not? How did you get on with your trade, your gold in the morning?
Oh, I closed it at the first position that I opened. I closed it with 50 pips. If I'm
Wow.
not mistaken.
Awesome, man. Awesome.
And then the second trade, I took 120 pips.
Wow.
And then at night, or in the end of the afternoon, I took, let me just check. I took 2 more trades, which they ran nicely. Posted the picture on Telegram.
On the grid. All on the 5 minute?
Yeah, all in the 5 minutes.
All gold?
Yeah.
Fuck, man.
What's this?
Just saying to Manuel, what trades he had yesterday.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah, I had a trend line and I had a position at 83, closed it at 85, and then I closed the rest at 87, and then I opened another position at 87 because I had another trend line there, and I closed it at 89. So I took 12 pips ish.
Someone says does gold need a longer trend line? Well, yeah, you can have it up to here, right? And then you can do this. You've only got 2 touches, but it's all pretty much the same area, really. Look at that. So that's the difference. It's not really much, is it? So yeah, you can just keep on this. Oh, why is this fucking headset just clicking in my ear constantly, man?
Is this your new one, Max?
No, I send that back because the fucking quality is shit, but these old ones have got an issue. I might just have to buy the same ones.
This you hear, Maxi?
What? Wait, I can send you a voice memo of it. Painful. Oh. It's just stopped. Why is it just stopped? It's gonna wait for a little bit. That's fucking creepy.
Did you press anything?
No. It's just stopped now. Oh no, it's still there a little bit. Yeah. Just like interference noise. So we'll see if we can come back to the highs in GGA. And yeah.
I think I know what it is.
What?
It's
Look.
me clicking the fucking mouse.
It's what?
It's me clicking the fucking mouse. So the button, click.
Really?
Yeah, I think so. Are you hearing anything now?
No.
And now.
No, I can hear you click, but no, it isn't. It definitely isn't. It's interference. I have no idea. So yeah, we'll see. See if you can get up. And yeah. Has my thing been working? Let's take a look. Let's move that to there. We'll see. Let's take a look at GG yet. It's broken the past hourly highs, so yeah, it should continue. And gold, you don't really know yet because the 4-hour time frame as well is just filling that wick. But there's a big 4-hour res there, so it could act as support. So I'm kind of happy it's there. We should bounce on it later on. Bounce off it. And yeah. EJ as well. Yeah, EJ is just in a harder range. Like, if you look at the 4 hour is nasty. The 4 hour is just ranging, so you don't really want to be in that. To be honest, you don't want to be in that. Hey Max, ever heard of the Muzz King? What? Nope, I never heard this person. Hey Max, isn't it better to take a buy above 163,300 instead of 163,174? Yeah, sorry, it was meant to be 300. But even then, it's pretty crap, to be honest with you. So, to be honest, I don't think I'm going to take any buys today. Because if you just mark every single res, so you got this one here, you got this one here, this one's here. Yeah, down there. There's too many reses everywhere. The zones are too small. They're way too small, so yeah, it's not nice. And GG, to be honest with you, this morning. Early morning. What time you sleep? Go to sleep at like 12 or some shit. So yeah, I feel like ninja right now. Now for the past fucking week and a half. But it's worth it when I fucking take a gold trade. I was knackered yesterday after the gym and the spa, man, and my swimming. I was could have slept there. Yeah, Ninja, you weren't here yesterday. Did you have a nice kip?
Well, I mean, I just had family over, so I was just sitting around.
Fair.
I slept what, like maybe 3.5 hours last night.
Oh, what the fuck? I have no idea how you do that.
I don't know. I don't even like need an alarm. I just automatically wake up after that time.
That's mad. I just wouldn't be able to function. My body would be like, nah, you're not doing anything. Like tomorrow morning, I'm probably gonna have 0 sleep, so you'll see me, and I'll be feeling oof.
I do take midday naps, like 2 hours, maybe 2.5 hours.
Yeah.
But that's about it. At night, I just can't sleep that long.
Yeah, that helps. Because your body relaxes, your body rests. Your body doesn't rest only at night.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
That's true. Is this gold doing anything? No. It's good that's holding it though. So yeah, we'll see. Good morning team, good morning. So what I'm really trying to picture is what I want over here. So hopefully the next couple of candles reject something, then close like that. We're getting in there. And then the only issue is the entry. If you close like that, how are we going to retrace all the way back down there? It's a little bit annoying. Where would you get in there then, Manuel? Or Bri or anyone? Would you get in there?
If the close above the trend line gives me 20 pips of stop of the next or less than that, I'll enter as it closes.
Yeah.
And then if it doesn't give me a big stop, I'll watch when it retraces, and if it rejects the trend line, I'll just enter another position.
Yeah.
Balls deep.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, I think I've been doing gold. Start to go balls deep.
Yep. I'm looking to short gold ASAP by the looks of it. 1780 revisit to former support there. 1780. Maybe 781. 780s. Yeah. Maybe.
I like that. I'm waiting for 1779. No, 70, 78.
Mm,
That'd be nice.
yeah.
See that unmitigated, huge imbalance.
Yeah.
Has reason to come down there. If it does.
Ninja, can I ask something about how far does it come? Like when there's an imbalance, where is it? Is it anywhere in that range of the imbalance that it could get to, or is there normally like a rule of thumb that it will?
Well, you see that 15-minute candle where Max's mouse kind of was, where
Yeah.
it kind of engulfed it. So that's kind of the zone I want to be looking for buys if we get the
Yeah.
confirmation,
Okay.
because that's kind of where price sold and then straight away bought and then flew. So that's gonna tell me that
Right.
there's unmitigated orders and price should be coming back there. And if it does and I get confirmation, then I'll
Okay.
take the buys.
Thanks, mate.
Yeah, boy. Looks good. It's not over yet. Looks like you're on the 1 hour, all them wicks, yeah. 2 hours, not a nap. It is. Man, if I do a nap like that, man, I'm fucking gone for 6 hours. Like, I can't do that. My brain just hurts too much, because it goes into the proper sleep. Apparently, the best time for it is either really short, like 20, 25, 30 minutes, or 90 minutes or an hour and a half. So I always do an hour and a half. But then if I wake up and I'm feeling a bit groggy still, man, I'm going back to bed for another fucking 3 hours. Sack that well and truly off. The feeling of being groggy and like after you've woken up from a nap is just not a vibe. Oof. It's not a vibe. Has my notifications came on? Don't know if it does it anymore, for fuck's sake. Where is it? Tools, scripts. Ah, there we go. Nice. Gold has to come back down to collect all the liquidity to take the next rally up. Yeah, but they could do that for sure. It can come far down as it wants to be honest. I'm not really too bothered because it makes it better to continue up. Terrible feeling? Yeah, it is, man. It is not the best feeling. How can I change my default? I think if you download Google Chrome, it tells you. Sorry, it says, oh, do you want this as your primary? Do you want this as your primary? Oh. Oh.
There it goes. What the hell?
Pushing up. Interesting. Mr. Bry, where would you be getting in then? Because so Manuel says he'll just get in if it's a nice closure.
I think. See, I've also got like a supply area as well, which we're coming close to. So not necessarily that I like it.
Yeah.
But it can still work. I don't want to scare anybody off.
Nah,
that's
that's fine.
also stuff that I'm looking at. But you know, it's the breaker structure and a retest. It's a quick trade. It's not. So you know, we're gonna take them, right?
Yeah. To be fair, the 15 doesn't look nice. And the amount of times it's wicked up here and rejected before. So
Yeah,
we'll
but
see.
that's anyway good for a burst. So.
Well, yeah, for sure.
So don't. I mean, I used to get so scared of a range. I don't fear a range anymore. I love them.
Yeah. Yeah, boy. Do you use smart money concepts?
You gotta be. What you saying now? Brilliant. Trading is a big trap.
Only dumb money cards. Gold 30-minute has no bottom wick. Yeah, that's kind of a cause of concern. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, the 15 as well.
Yeah, that's a little bit. I think that's enough for me to leave it. To be honest, I'll have to wait for it to make a lower wick because the 30 realistically is gonna make a lower wick here, and that pretty much means you're gonna lose the trade. So yeah, fortunately. To be honest with you, if this closes here, then I can actually wick it from there to there, and it could be a little bit nicer. So we'll see. Yeah. Oh man, I'm a bit annoyed, man. GJ was looking good yesterday, but today, someone's a little bit.
Yeah, it's just early. We'll move that up.
You should move there.
GK is amazing every day, man. What are you talking about?
Ugh. It's amazing when it runs. And it's clean, like yesterday. Yesterday was nice. EJ, yeah. Even if it got a closure above here, I'm probably not gonna take a trade because this zone is shit. It's very, very bad. So closing in a minute's time, looking good. The only issue is the 30's got no bottom wick, and I'm not playing with that. So what I mean by this is that if you look at all the candles here, most candles make a top wick and a bottom wick. That one didn't, but for the most part, most of them do. So we know that there's a high probability that's going to come to there in the next 25 minutes. Especially look how much time there's in the candle. There's a lot more time in the candle left. So it could be cause of concern. GU? Okay, let's take a look at GU. I want to see if this plays out as well. It'll be fun to see. Oh, God, I'm yawning this morning. Fucking hell. Okay, daily time frame bullish, 4 hour bullish. The hourly time frame is pushing up. A little bit of minor hourly resistance there, 1.20889. 30-minute also has got resistance here. 15-minute also has resistance probably there. So yeah, buy above 1.20891 would be good. Yeah. Then that'll be nice for a buy there. So Goldie's closed above, made a lower wick. Let's see if this can continue. But I'm staying out of it because the 30's got no bottom wick. Beautiful. So getting in there, doing the retracement, yeah. 8 pips at the high. Still got a while to get there. Like a lot of volumes coming in. Still got the 30 now. 30's breaking above, which is nice. Hourly is broken the high the previous. Shame about the 30 and the 15. A lot of smart money concepts is about a way of trading using liquidity and order blocks. Yeah, a lot of people in my group use it as well. GG looks like it wants to pump up to the high structure. Looks more bullish than bearish now. Yeah. Well, that worked out quite nicely over here. It's a shame the 30 had no top wick. Sorry, bottom wick. 7 pips right now. If you got in there, somewhere there, then probably break even, coming to the res. And either take some or, hold until a little bit further up.
This candle can still fake out, Max, and then you get the sells.
Yep.
So you just got to see how it works, but it could fake out.
Yeah, boy. That'll be good for the cells. Max, I've been practicing your Goldie setup in the 5-minute with the US 30, and it's been working great. Thanks, bro. Ooh, the US 30. Interesting. So if you've got at any of this point, you've got to be break even there. Because that's the next zone. Yeah, the 4 and GG is quite hard as well. So yeah, it's a lot of stuff. Let's take a look. Yeah, so next sim is on Thursday. Sim. Might do on Friday as well. Why not? Might do 3. Let's take a look. Waiting for the second trend line. Yeah, agreed. Looks good. Second trend line could be easier. So there we go. Probably gonna get break even there. But it makes sense with that 15.30. Manuel, did you try and jump in?
Yep.
Yeah, are you holding it or you get break even?
I'm holding the stops. 10 pips.
GU rejected the high, so you can clearly see now that this is a big ass resistance. So if you just get a closure above there later on, it's gonna be good. What is SMC? Smart money concept is just order blocks and all this kind of stuff. Yeah, make sure you give it a like on the stream, guys. Still waiting patiently. We might be able to get these sells soon on gold if it breaks this trend line below there. I'm definitely taking sells, and that's gonna be much nicer. Is the zone still small though? Yeah, it's 8 pip TP1, 20 pip. It's okay. Could you check out my chart for sure? Guys, on YouTube, give me some ideas to make some YouTube videos for, and I'll do one. This week I put one, but I don't know if you guys want it. It's about how to backtest and how to backtest properly, like how to do it from start to finish. But if you use your own initiative and look at the YouTube backtesting that we put up, you pretty get all the answers from there. So it's kind of like useless for people who've already watched that, but it's still good for a video idea. If you guys want any other ones, make sure send me them over. Can we get a vlog? YouTube? Yeah, well, my life's quite boring, to be honest. Do you want a day in the life? Another one?
Please no. Please no.
Do it specifically for you, Bri.
Yeah.
Oh, we'd love to see a live backtest. We did one with Irvin last week, and it's there. A day in the life. Oh, I'll show you my spa. Fuck yeah. I'm already thinking about that hot jacuzzi, man. I'm gonna lie in it today. Oh, fucking hell. It's not even a jacuzzi, it's a bloody pool. It's a fucking hot tub pool. It's massive.
Human soup.
Oh, it's amazing.
I just want to see how you inhale a kebab.
Oh, I inhale it. Don't you worry. I'll be doing that tonight as well. Oh, yes. I can inhale a kebab, all right.
Yeah, boy.
So for this, hasn't closed below the trend line yet. It's good. So yeah.
Max, would you be moving that top trend line now, mate?
Yeah.
Or is it a bit of a funny one? Because
Yeah.
no
I think.
bottom wick on one and no top wick on the.
I think that's pretty good. Or you could do this or like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. I just wanted this 30 to make it lower work, to be honest with you. But if it doesn't, that's fine. But, yeah. And yeah. EJ Zulu, GJ, and EJ. Yeah. So EJ is this one, but the zone isn't really because this is useless, to be honest with you, because this isn't a resistance. This is a resistance. This is a resistance. So this is garbage, really. I should just do this, really. Yeah. Shit ass zone. It's big enough, but the fucking higher time frame there, the 4-hour res there is powerful, so not nice. And there's GG. GJ. Let's take a look over here. Why do you trade core inflation? Wait, how do you trade core inflation rate tomorrow? You just press a. You have a buy stop and a sell stopper, and you pray and eat mangoes. That's all you do. That's all you do. This is why I hate trend lines. Our point of view might be wrong, and we end up with an L. Nah, it's more than that. It's more than just a trend line. I'm telling you that. There's a lot of ways for me to see if it's going to be a good one or not. So, like this one here, I didn't take this one because the 30's got no bottom wick, but it's still a good opportunity, and it looks like it may play out. Could be okay. Yeah. Show you how much fucking work I do in this job now. Ah, the editing. I think I'm gonna get that edited next month, so that's gonna be fun. That'll be good. Is Sashin here? Sashin. Is Sashin?
I think he's still recovering from the weekend.
Oh god. So now the 15's closed, the 30 still has no low wick. I can't get in now because if I get in now and then lose it because of the low wick, I'll be fucking kicking myself. That was the entry I wanted. Yeah, nice 5-minute closure, but it's closed right at the res as well, so I'm gonna leave it out. Yeah. G's really respecting that res, which is good, man. If it breaks it, it's gonna be pretty nice. Gold didn't make a low wick yesterday as well, and it flew. Yeah, that's fine. I'm happy with losing it, leaving or you know, not taking the trades because of just the just a little rule I have. Halo 15, the 15 closed strongly bullish, not above the support, which is a bit annoying, but it's a nice strong bullish candle, so it's looking good for Manuel over here. It's looking good.
5 more.
9 pip stop. Right, that res though, many. Nice strong closure though, nice bullish volume coming in. Should be good to continue. Should be good. 38 likes, guys. Make sure you like the stream. And yeah, we'll see, man. I think you know how far has actually moved. Really, so the open was there. It's pretty close to the open. It's at 163. So hopefully we can get away from this, and then we're gonna be good. But got a beginner question, but I'm still confused on this. When do you prefer to take the flip compared to the break of the high, vice versa? It depends, man. It depends how big you want your stop. If you're getting on the flip, you get a smaller stop loss, but it's a little bit risky if you don't have the volume. Break of the high is more confirmation it's going to push and, you know, keep bullish. So yeah, I think I think it just depends. It depends what you want, man. It depends on each setup. Depends on your stops. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, we'll see. So in DC, yeah, DC's only taken 2 trades this month so far. How many trades have I taken now? A lot more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. Whole as last month I took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 23. Looking good. Looking good. Did you get on the closure? Yeah. Yeah. And there you go. Well done, Manuel.
Yep. And Pips.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Shame there's no fucking bottom wick. Prick. Do 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 do. How much is entries here? So if you got in there, 7 pips the next res, which is there. Stop loss below, 9 pips. That would have been alright as well. Just didn't look too perfect for me with the low wick. I just hate losing a trade with a no low wick. And I had a lot of time in the candle start there. I had like 24 minutes left, so I'll be losing that. But well done, man. Amazing work. Good opportunity for people to take that. Very nice. And I hope we really reject here and I can take myself.
I'll be on it.
Do you trade impulse entries depending on the setup and depending on the time, depending on the confidence, depending on the markets? Yeah, it's all dependent on just loads of different circumstances, really. We hit 8,000 subscribers today. Oh my god! Hello, GC boy.
What's up? Anybody in black tit over there?
Yeah, Manuel is.
Ooh.
I didn't get in because the 30 had no bottom wick, bro.
Oh, it's too bad, man.
No, put me off.
I actually liked it.
Oh, I liked it, man. I'd be balls deep in it if there was no fucking... If there's a lower wick, but man, there was no lower wick. And it was right at the start of the candle. Oh.
I was actually doing it from my phone.
So,
But yeah.
so Manuel did this. Yeah. I think you just got in the closure, didn't you, like that?
Yeah, I had 2 lines. I had that
I also had that one.
Yeah.
and I had this one from here, there, ish like
Yeah,
that top.
yeah.
And then it broke above both, closed above both. And then I took an entry as it closed. Where I waited for it
Actually
to make
came for it.
forward, and then I entered when it came to the same entry point.
Morning, Mags.
Morning.
Yeah, I got in over here. So because we engulfed, we got to that point. I actually held that drawdown, and I got off.
Turning into a big drawdown trader.
Yeah. Yes, son. So I would have got in on that wick. Yeah, I probably would have. On the 4-hour flip's a good one as well, actually. Yeah. I didn't close below the trend line, so you're good. We had a little bit of sweaty balls there, though, eh?
Yeah, but the thing is this, I was anticipating a retest, but because of the strong closure, I was okay. Also, if you check the stop loss from there, it was fine, man.
Yeah, I know. Fuck's sake. Fucking 30-minute bomb. Oh, don't run off without me, you prick.
It's gone, man.
Ah.
Max, you missed it.
Nah, for me, I missed nothing. There wasn't one for me. If there's bottom wick and there's no bottom wick in theory, I'm not taking it. So, yeah, it's not one for me.
Fine, man. We can't get him all, eh?
Yeah, boy.
Only me.
That'd be 2p1. That'd be 2p2. This guy's South African accent is another level.
Fuck you, man. Fuck you.
Jason, you working today, buddy?
I'm grinding, my man.
Nice.
He's grinding.
I've just popped in to check who took the gold trade because it's a public holiday here, so I'm off with the family
Yeah.
today. So
Exactly. That's exactly why I could be in the stream now, because it's a public holiday. Fuck all vendors on site, you know. So
Public holiday every day for me, boy.
Brian, you're the third richest man in South Africa. You
was you not getting on the next trend line? What, the one up here? It's
You late, man. You
yeah,
could.
yeah. You are late.
You can. You know, if I can just give my 2 cents on that, you can do it.
It worked out
but-
well yesterday.
Because
Getting in,
now
yeah.
you have this, eh? So the way I would be looking at this, okay, I missed my first entry. How could I get into this trade safely? Okay, so I have that area there over now. We're closing below that area. We've retested, so you've missed that as well. You know, so now we're coming towards this area. Would I want to get into a trade right now? Probably now. If we do get a closure below now, probably retest of that area to fill that range. But I think
Yeah, but gold is so bullish at the moment. If you look at like the monthly and the weekly, it's
creeping as well,
bull.
you know. Could
Yeah,
possibly-
the daily just not made a blow wick, and if it breaks these highs, which it has, it can do. The candles to the left, you have one clean candle and you have one wick, so it goes to 1806 very easily if it breaks this area where it is now on the daily.
So I could have a stop loss.
Yeah, we shouldn't come back in that area because there's nothing untested in there. Are you with me?
Yeah.
So we shouldn't come back there. So only the range even the range we above now that I just pointed out, we've even broken and retested that. So it's good work, guys. Good work.
I just don't know. I think I've missed my move here, and
That's exactly just my rules. If I missed it, man.
and that's the main TP for me is this. It's right there, so it's might have just missed this one. But I didn't like it because the low wick, so I didn't really miss it. Really, it's just obviously after you're like, oh man, we should just took it, but it's just hard, man, with the no low wick. We know probability wise it was gonna make one. Beautiful, man. Well done for people taking it. Manuel basically also spoke about it at the start. He said if it closes above, I'm gonna take it. He did so. Oh, what the fuck is this guy in this thing? It is not signal? Question mark. What, bro? Just fucking listen. Gold 40% gold. Beautiful.
Yeah, I thought it was kind of safe because even if you get and when it closes and you have stop loss at say 15 pips, it gives you enough room for the first minute to come down and make a low wick.
That's true. The only difference with me is that I wouldn't have a 15 pip stop. I'd have a 9 like there.
Yeah.
So and that's the low wick there.
Yeah.
So it's like, oh, you know what I mean? That's another reason as well. Yeah.
Also, my confluence for this, Max, also was I looked at the previous inverted head and shoulders. So I had a reversal pattern there to the left. I don't know if you can spot that. Let me just do it quickly. So, yeah, there.
Yeah.
So I had that left shoulder, right shoulder, head, reversal. So yeah, so that is also another confluence.
Oh, bro, Oh, I like all of it. I just don't like how this kind of doesn't have like that. That's all it is. EJ buys. Ugh, fuck that. The range is ass. However, GJ's coming up. We're eyeing up GJ. Hourly candles closing soon.
Someone got buys. I won't mention names.
Oh, you get in on Asia here, the low wick.
Yeah.
The 15 minutes was nice. Made a low wick.
Yeah.
9 pips below the previous.
Yeah, that's pretty good. 2 minutes left for this closure.
Some people in here got their fingers on their lips. Not gonna mention names.
You don't have to mention
Some
names.
people wake up to come to stream.
If the shoe fits, you know, if the shoe fits.
Classic.
450.
So guys, no foul language today. I'm fasting.
Ah, fuck off, Jason.
Yeah.
I just said it, and he immediately.
What's the language got to do with fasting?
Yeah. It makes it makes him hungry when he hears it.
I can't with you guys anymore. I can't.
You're the one making it hard for yourself. You're going to the
Exactly.
cafeteria to trade. What the hell? Go to the garden.
I just see Jason the mosque sitting on his fucking laptop
With
with
his
gold.
list of things he needs to ask for forgiveness.
Yeah.
His little
We
white
all
book.
do.
Yeah,
We all do.
100%. But
Yo, but I missed you guys, man. Yo, it's been a minute. Like,
I know, where the fuck have you been though?
man, I've been working. So one of my colleagues went on leave, so I'm like automatically covering his shift. So because we like a shift rotational team, but it's fine. You know, in Afrikaans, there's a saying, "Beard is beard." You know, so if it's their turn, I got like almost 30 days. So I'm gonna take like fucking 2 months straight, so I can bag the trades like crazy.
Very nice.
that means you'll show up more or not.
Sure, I am gonna show up, man.
Oh, Jason.
So Maxi, what are you looking on? What are you looking for on GJ?
Well, I mean, to be honest with you, mate, the 30 looks. It's just shit.
Too much mess.
It's too much shit. That was nice. That was it. But I mean, did they make the low wick first, Bri?
Yeah.
You fucking ball bag. And I'm fucking staring at gold. Fuck's sake.
He's staring at gold as move was done.
Watching the
Fuck's sake. Ah, fuck off. Brian's sitting there. You could go up Max heads up, and I would have looked. It was, oh yeah, good fucking
Tom
point.
also got it. Tom also got it.
Yeah, Tom never speaks, Bri.
Oh, my bad.
Oh, my bad.
You fucking prick. I'm there staring at gold trying to think of getting up here, and I fucking missed the move, and someone's fucking taking a beautiful GJ trade.
Yeah, and the thing is this now, with all
Let's take a look at the,
the banger trades Tom has been taking, I think he should invest in the bloody mic, man.
Bloody Mike.
Gee, he was
Yeah.
Tom.
So yeah, I mean, buys above are okay, but then like, you know, they're not that okay because there's fucking this traffic here, this traffic here, this traffic here, this traffic here. Yeah, it's fucking garbage again. 163.4 is an issue. Yeah, 163.4 is an issue. 163.380, 163.420, 163.500. Yeah, it's all a little bit choppy. Let's say chop central. I'm just gonna take my gold cells if this rejects later on. Yeah.
Yo, guys, I have something to share. So we like have a the company like provides like coffee, tea, and all that shit, like bottled water and everything, you know, to the employees, etc. So we like have this cleaning facility on site, man, where they're always cleaning up, always vacuuming and shit, always wiping off whatever, always doing dishes. So we obviously like we in charge of like the monitoring of the stock and things like that. So one of the gentlemen, he saw like there was a substantial amount of milk and shit gone, man. And he was like monitoring them, like I think for 2 weeks. So now Friday,
oh god,
he bought all of them.
no way. What were they doing? Stealing it all?
They were fucking stealing, man. Like you would never imagine it. And you know, like it's normal human beings. Like I interact with these people on a daily basis, so I would never think, you know, in my mind that, hey man, I'm speaking to a fucking thief, you know. And I just saw now one of the employees. I'm gonna ask a couple of questions now. Guys, you need something, you can, you know, holler at your bro or holler at someone, you know. You don't need to put your job on the line, you know what I mean?
They just stole all the fucking coffee. Mate, I swear they did that with all the cake. You said that there was cake in. My fucking hell, do they pay you in fucking rupees or some shit? What the fuck? Like, why the fuck do you had a cake, and I remember you telling me that all the people were literally not like one slice, to get massive slices.
Nah, the thing is this, you know, man, things are just so different here in South Africa. Like, I don't, like, it's sensitive, man. Like it's just, I can't really elaborate on that because it's just sensitive, yeah. Let's just put it.
Yeah, I mean they're obviously not earning much though. If they're stealing milk from the workplace, like that's.
No, the thing is, this is not the fact that they're not earning much, but because there is in abundance of it, man. Like there's just
lots.
so much. Yeah, so you're just thinking,
I can get away with it. Yeah, but still, you know.
For me, you know, like the obvious thing was, you can't come to work, you know, with a flat backpack and look like you're gonna go hiking when you go home.
Yeah. They go. This is fucking. Look at that guy. Guy's daily flip target. Yeet. Very nice. They're fucking walking like they're going expedition.
Listen, man, like I'm in a data center facility, so bro, there's cameras, CCTV everywhere.
Really?
They are watching. Bro, you can get away with fuck all here, like honestly.
That's why you got caught fucking trading gold on your PC.
Exactly. They were checking. No, so they were looking at on the cameras. Hey, where's Jason? Oh, let's check in the boardroom. Boom, Jason is busy there.
Jesus taking a gold 5-minute trend line in the fucking bathroom. Oh god, I would love to see that fucking conversation. I'm telling you off. He's like, well, yeah, bro, I gotta make my money somewhere.
Sugar and milk's expensive, boy.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Plus, like here in South Africa, you're either getting scammed on FOREX or you always seeing advertisements and shit like that, man. So people's idea of what FOREX is and things like that, everybody has different opinions, man. You know, and me, I'm just like, hey, you know, here's what it is. If it works for you, it works for you. Like,
yeah, well, they just don't care enough. Unless you literally throw a bunch of money in their face, then they'll start to listen. But why the fuck would you do that? So what's the point?
Yeah, that is also the problem, you know, when people look at trading, they just look at money. They just think money, you know what I mean? And,
well, yeah.
Man, before I could make some money, hey man, I had to fucking learn. I had to... It's not just about making money at the end of the day. Like if anything is that you are doing, like even if you're a mechanic, if you are a cleaner, you need to clean that shit. Like let's say you're a cleaner and you don't clean that shit properly, do you still expect to be a cleaner at the end of the day?
Yeah.
And the same with trading. You know, it's something that you need to develop over time. And once you've developed it, okay, now you start putting in some more money. It's just like that.
Forex is a scam. Yes.
Yeah. Tell your dad too. And yeah, the thing is this, here in SA, Brian, oh man, scamming is like next level. Lloyd, we're not looking at AJ. No, Lloyd. No.
I look at for you like Jason's sick of me looking at AJ. Go on, AJ. Go on, Jason. You do analysis on AJ over here. Look at this. Wow.
Okay, garbage.
Okay, so the last daily time frame closed bullish. It actually closed bullish above the support. Looks good for buys. The 4-hour time frame looks rangy.
Oh, definitely rangy.
Yeah.
Okay. Untasted south.
Yeah. Which could come down to. Still look at the hourly. Yeah, this is interesting. Okay, so pretty self-explanatory, I think. Buys above 94,360. Sells below 93,900. There you go. Bob's your uncle. Yeah. Let's get all the JPY pairs seem to be. Well, no, GJ and EJ is moving. EJ moves nicely. Anyone try and get an entry? Same kind of entries there would be okay, but 10 pip stop is alright. Let's look at the 30-minute. EJ looking good. Do you look at the 4-hour now? Yeah. It's only 9 past 7 as well. We've got a lot of time, which is good to see. Good to see. Hourly without no bottom wick. Yeah, fuck's sake. Fucking no bottom wick, prick. Oh, yes, gold. Get the fuck back down. No offense to you guys in this trade. I want to take a sell. Get the fuck back down so I can take a sell, you prick.
Fuck everyone else.
Yeah, sorry guys. You've got your money there, you fuckwits. Now it's my turn. You had enough to get. How much did you get there? You got 28 pips. 28 pips. I couldn't care less about this hitting your fucking stop loss to break even. Oh god. And then we've got untested south, don't we? Do we? Oh no. Look at the 15. How does this look? Yeah, it looks quite nice to continue back down below this level if it rejects the highs, but it has came all the way back up. So we'll see. 30-minute is just making the lower wick. So we'll see. Guy cracks me up. I fucked up yesterday. Oh man. I tried in like the supermarkets. They have like the thing that you can scan on your phone, and like you can do it all on your phone. Sometimes I'm just shit with remembering stuff. So I'm scanning things, but I do remember like Caitlin telling me, Max, you forgot to scan that. Like fucking scan it again. So alright, okay. Oh, no. And then like it's the first time I've ever done this. So I just thought we'd just walk out after we pay, get there, and go. I need to do a random check on your products just to make sure you've paid for them all. All right, okay, yeah. I think I've done it all. I did go a bit like worrying, like I think I've done it, but I'm not like I wouldn't bet a large amount of money on that. I forgot one item because we bought quite a lot. She goes, oh, it's alright, it's alright. Goes through it. The fucking most expensive item I didn't pay. I didn't click the chicken. So it looks like I've been a fucking dodgy twat that I can't pay for my bloody chicken. Most expensive item. You know what I mean? If it was like a tin of beans, or like, you know, I'd been fine, but it wasn't. It was a fucking chicken. It was like £5. And then if they find one that you know that hasn't been through, you have to do it all over again like normally. I'm like, oh my god. Oh, that was my pain for the night. That's fucking painful. So awkward as well, because like it's so awkward as well because like you don't know if the thing that you've actually stolen, like you're actually trying to like pull a quick one on them because it's obviously the most expensive item. You're like, oh no.
And that happens every day in South Africa. And not that you don't scan it or something.
They're just taking it.
You just take it. It doesn't matter. When you like buy clothing and stuff, some of the staff don't remove those magnets from the clothing.
Mm-hmm.
and you walk through, and that thing goes off, mate. Yes, you feel so guilty. Like, what have you done? You know what I mean?
What? They don't take them off?
They just forget, mate.
Yeah,
and then they go,
yeah.
Sorry, we forgot to take it off. And it's not that. It's like the thing is, you look like an absolute.
I know, yeah.
That probably in South Africa that will happen 2 million times in a day around our country.
God, wow. Yeah, Caitlin got a bag from somewhere, and we're in Poland, and we were in this like nice snazzy shop with like the designer clothes and shit, and her bag kept on beeping at this when we came in every time, and I was like, oh, this is just embarrassing now. I hate going into them snobby shops anyway, because everyone thinks that you're fucking poor or whatever, and they all look at you trying to eye you up. I hate it, but that doesn't fucking help when your bloody bag's beeping as well. I hate shops like that. I can't stand to go in the
With
fucking
chicken that you didn't pay for.
I can't stand shops like
And
that.
Max is gymming a lot, so he looks like a bit of a beefhead, bulking up on chicken.
Me, my arms. I've got to go to a sports massage. I fucked royally fucked my right arm. It's. I think this is the reason. This is what I'm gonna say. This is the reason why I quit the gym, and I've realised it now because it's so sore, man. I've got some tendon in there, and like if I do anything to do with like move my arms, like biceps or whatever, it fucking tightens up, and I literally at the end of the workout I literally can't move my arm. It's like I have to have it in a cast like that and like wait until it like relaxes, and then it gets a bit better. And apparently it comes all the way from the shoulder, so that's great. I wish my body just fucking worked. Sick of it. Anyone got a new one? I'd like to fucking refund mine. Gold dropping nicely, deep in the blues. Yep. Let's take a look. Chip in your wallet gets me all the time. Yeah. Lol, which part of South Africa you live in, Brew? Where do you live?
Cape Town, both Cape
I
Town.
live in
Cape Town.
Khayelitsha, man. I'm from
Jason's in
Khayelitsha.
Khayelitsha. I'm in Cape Town. Hugo's in KZN.
Where's it? Where, how far is Hugo from you?
In the
14,
next
15
province,
hours.
40, 50 hours? Oh shit.
He's like in the next province. You need to take a flight to that place, man.
Wow.
You can drive, but man.
No, it's a long drive.
Well, I'm buying my MacBook, man. So I'm gonna come and visit you, fuckwits.
Not a fuck. You'll never make it out alive, wait.
I say, don't bring your MacBook.
yeah. Jason's already messaging his mates.
GJ buy stops look good, do they? You send me a chart and tell me why it looks good. Because for me, a buy stop there is risque. Why? Well, it's just because the left hand side here. It's like, oh. Say it, there are better breaks at high fucking launches, but that's just me. That resistance is not one to mess with. I'm in Port Elizabeth.
Oh, there we go.
Well, there's a lot of South Africans here. I'm in Port Elizabeth. Durban. Where's Durban?
Durban is KZN where you guys.
Ah.
We don't care.
Cheers.
We only care when you're in the mentorship, mate. That's
You didn't want to know?
How many South Africans in the mentorship now? It's like
it. A few, mate.
too many you fuckwits in here.
Yeah, we're doing all,
Make it better,
doing
mate.
all of them. We're bringing them all, man.
Oh, Ninja. It's a nice setup with the clouds again, yeah. Oh. Ah, Jason's got his camera on.
Yeah, but you see Ninja's position is running, eh?
It's
What's up?
Yeah. Did he get in? Is Simone's Manuel, is it?
You can see his pip cards running.
Yeah, I know. Wait, let me see.
No, he has a cell.
Yeah, a cell. Oof, nice, yeah. Jason, do you have your camera on today?
I switch it off
I
now.
just turned it off.
Ah, you fucking pussy. Ah,
Take them, man.
yes.
We're going to work.
Okay, all you fuckwits, the golds are out. Tough luck. I'm joking.
What a mentor.
Oh, what a shame! You've lost your runner. What a shame!
What a
I
guy.
can take my cells. I'm also in Cape Town with Baldy. Very nice. Johannesburg here. I'm in a Val RSA. Not to be racist, but I could hear a turban and a Cape Town accent. I don't think that's racist. I think that's accentish. Oh, you're saying because Jason's fucking black and Brian is white. His fucking accent. That might be why. Okay, fair. Jason is a through and through South African. Blue. Brian's a little posh boy.
I can't see the Gulag chat.
Yeah, you have to get up YouTube, bro.
No, share your screen.
Are you sure to me share my screen?
Like it's usually on your.
Oh, yeah. And you can look at it. Oh, like this? Yeah. 1 second. There you go.
Oh my days, there we go. Okay. Let me see what shit they're talking over here.
Signing up to be my mate for tips. Yeah. So yeah, we'll see. Does it look like Goldie now? Yeah, it's rejected the highs now. I like these cells, I'm not gonna lie. 1 touch, 2 touch. I need one down here. Retracement. Stop loss above. Could be nice.
See on the 5 minute where price tapped into and then dropped. If you go up and then look to the left, you see how there's that big wick on the 5 minute, how it wicked up and then dropped.
This one?
No, on your right.
Oh, where?
No, left. Yep, just there. You see on your right? Just on the right where that big drop started.
Oh. Yeah?
On your right, a bit more. That big wick. Yeah.
Yeah.
See how it kind of wicked up and then dropped like really heavy. So that's telling me institutions were pushing price up and then just sold it off quickly.
Quick.
So that big wick. So there was probably orders in there that haven't been filled. So that's why it took the sell.
After it made that top wick?
Yeah, so if you look on the M1, how it would have closed as a bearish engulfing, and I just took the sell.
Yeah. Nice. Very nice.
Fuck's sakes, Ninja.
Oh. So if his next 5 minute can close below.
That coming from the guy that said we shouldn't be swearing.
Exactly. You gotta write in your book now.
I said fuck sakes. I said fuck. If you.
Yeah, here we go.
I
We
said
can go
fuck.
back on the stream. This is all recorded.
Yeah, exactly.
That is so haram. Do you know it's also haram, Jason? Trading gold in the fucking toilet at work. That is the biggest haram. That is holy shit.
Wait, don't listen. One of the people at work might be watching the stream.
What do they watch?
Probably are.
No, that's what I'm saying. You might give away my secrets. Ooh, we can imagine that shit comes out once the TP hits.
That shit comes out once the TP hits. Oh, fucking hell. Right, I'm gonna get rid of this one now.
Cells are looking really good right now.
Yeah, blue. Oh!
Let's go. I'm gonna add a position if you got enter.
Oh, relax, Goldie. Don't go too far without me, because the retracement is far. Looking like a lot of volumes coming in over here. I think we may miss it. I think it's gonna be here. Yeah. Facts. A lot of volume coming in. Look at that 4 hour now. Made the top wick. Rejected. Flipping. Should fill the 4 hour wick. It's a shame. I could tell it was starting to push there quite hard in the hour minute. Yeah.
Yeah. So in a case like this, where we push hard down, we could possibly even just
Retest there.
The whole range, yeah.
Yeah. Agreed.
Because we can golf at all range now.
Then how much would your stops be? I'd kind of want them But then it could retest the trend line. Probably 17 pips. Oof. It's not bad, but Goldie. We'll see. So yeah, GJ's clearly got that resistance there. Oh, GU is a good trade. How much was the stops? 9 pips. That was a trade and a half, that. Fake out, close you back in the zone, 4-hour flip, yeet. That was nice. Gold, you prick. Yeah, it's already hit TP1, so it's kind of fucked it. We'll see how big the retracement is. EJ buys, question mark? Yeah, if it gets closure above, potentially. Hourly's got no bottom wick. 36 minutes left. Only 18 pips away. Beautiful.
I think it's like only like.
What, Jace?
I said like only 10 pips probably to the next 15-minute support. So
Yeah.
it's not really a loss.
Maxi, do you change your line and start it from the bottom wick
Yeah.
to the touches? And I think you could have entered. No, so don't take away that line and start from what you see now.
Wait, what? That's what I'm doing anyway. This one, yeah? That's what I'm looking at.
Yeah, but you don't have a touch here, for example. There. And if you start from here, you'll have these touches and you'll have the break here. That's what I mean.
Yeah.
I don't have it in my terminal, so...
The only issues there is closed, but there's no top wick. We would have got in there.
No. There's no top wick.
Yeah. But still, I mean, on the closure that would have worked, yeah. You think Raja got clapped? What did Raja do? I took a GU fake out. Well done, Taylor. Nice. Very nice, in fact. We still looking for this, boys and girls?
Yeah, because we also have a closure below, right?
Yeah. Oh, I have to write this fucking signal. Fuck's sake. I'm forgetting to do it. So it'll be up here. Okay, so I'm gonna take a sell when we come back up to this level here. If we come up to that level here.
So if you try and get in on the retest of the trend line, the stops would be 8 pips to the next resistance.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think it's not too bad.
Are you not gonna get in here, Jace?
Yeah, I'll see now how price reacts. I'm actually on the one scene to see if I'm seeing rejection of that level.
Mm-hmm.
So far, I just see boom, 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 boom.
Yeah,
boom.
I'm gonna wait a little longer as well. Right, okay, so, ooh, I like that. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna get in at that 5. Let's take a look at the 1. Yeah, beautiful. So I got in over here, just like the signal did. Yeah. Stop loss, I'm gonna run 17 pip stop, I think, for me personally. However, I want to manage risk. You know what? I'm not gonna. My stop is gonna be here. Yeah. Because it's because it's actually it's the 4-hour flip as well. So if it breaks that high, you're pretty fucked. Oh, I didn't.
It's gonna close in 3 minutes.
Yep.
It might retrace.
That's true.
Yeah, and you might get it at the trend line.
Mm-hmm.
How long left? 3 minutes. Just take a look. Oh, I just pinned the fucking thing. Shit, I have to go all the way back up. I pinned the fucking signal. Ah, how the fuck do I unpin that? Ah, no. How do I do that? It's a bad vibe.
Yad man.
Yeah, so the only issue is the 30's closing. I really want this to kind of push before, just so I know it's respecting it, because it's got a minute left. We may get a top wick, which is a little bit annoying. We'll see. Good thing is the stops right now are pretty good, eh?
Yeah, you could have a 5-minute salary also now. If it closes like this.
Yep.
Potentially.
Yeah, I might have to get in at a break even over here and wait. I'm gonna get out if it
Nothing
hooks
wrong
me.
with that.
Yeah, I'm gonna
Nothing
get
wrong
out.
with that. Absolutely nothing.
I'm getting out of break even here, guys.
If it goes, it goes. You could have get it like, obviously the better entry is on the train line.
Yeah, I mean, for me here, I think it still could probably work. However, the 30 is gonna open, so I got to break even here because the 30's just opened. It has to make a top wick first, man, and then the retest and the trend line would be much better. So we'll see. If this runs off of me, I'm happy with missing this. But I just think it's gonna probably come. I wanted the tap and the rejection. I wanted to be down there for half 7, and I wasn't. So, yeah.
Pete Taylor's been banging some trades, eh? Taylor and Andrea.
Been taking them.
Hey, even
What have they just taken?
I think Andrea got into a gold trade and Taylor got into a
GU
GU.
baker.
Yeah, smashing it over there, eh, ladies?
So yeah, I'm gonna have to go on fucking go find that pinned thing now because everyone's gonna be like, what the fuck? Beautiful. Very, very happy with that. So the reason why is because, yeah, it's still looking good. I still think it's probably going to continue. However, the trend line's above. So theoretically, we should come there. And also to start the 30, man. 30 needs to make a top wick. But it looks good for later on. Because look, the 30 is close below. So even just getting in on the 30 flip, I might look for later on. So we'll see. Hi everyone, good morning. Good morning, good morning. And that's how you manage a trade, especially with the time. So can you see that we were focusing more on the time? Like for me, the trade's beautiful, right? You know, I did think that I kind of wanted the tap and the retrace, and when it started flipping around here and messing around, I was looking at the 1, and the 1 wasn't driving. So, start of the 30-minute, has to make a top wick. Where would the top wick go? Well, the trend line, but the trend line is 2 pips away from my stop, so the probability that it's gonna hit me out. You know, it could just tap me here and I'll be, you know, gutted. There's no point. So always have a bit of that flexibility as well, man. John Wick, L Trader, thank you very much, my man. I'll really cry at night time. So yeah, we'll see. Let's take a look. Saturday morning. Are you in a gold trade? No, not now. I have to wait. I have to wait over here. If this continues, beautiful though. I know some people probably would be holding on, but I just have a little bit of course concern for a little bit more of a push up. Look at the 1 minute. It's struggling to push yet. It's still holding. You see, so now we're probably going to drive up a little bit further. Are you guys looking to get in on the trend line up here?
Yeah, that's what I want to get in.
Would you get in? So because this is not really the way I've done it with the closures. Would you wait for a candle to either come and then close below it? So,
yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Because if it comes up and then rejects the trend line and closes below,
yeah,
the stops can be exactly where you had your
rejection
initial stops.
Yeah.
At the top, and then you'll have 10 pips ish.
Yeah.
If you enter as the candle closes under the trend line.
And if you think about it in terms of the way we trade and just normally, what we'll be getting on? We'll be getting on the 30-minute top wick with a closure below. So it's perfect. Yeah. Very nice. Can I see your can I see your GJ? Yeah. Garbage. Brian, you looking at sells later on?
I actually missed the sell early on the 5. Where it faked out 250 and there was a doji.
Yeah, there.
We could have just used the doji when it broke the low. Also bearish engulfing, faked out that level. Also had a ascending trend line, so it rejected that.
Very nice.
But I missed that one, unfortunately.
Okay.
Listening to you on gold.
You what? You listen to me? Yeah. Serves you right, you fucker.
Trapping all those sellers, and then you get out of BE, boy.
Too right, boy.
Too right.
Looking like it's holding it now. It's probably good now.
Big celery dump.
Celery on the 5.
Yeah.
Where would your stop be if you got on the celery on the 5?
Nah, cancelled. Salary cancelled. Candles is closed.
But it can still work. That's resistance, right?
Yeah.
That's resistance, boy.
If it's getting a bit too hard to see exactly what I want to do, you just back off.
Yeah, 100%.
Especially this, it's when we do the back testing, it's a piece of cake what we're meant to do on the gold trend line. So if it gets a little bit hard, then so beautiful, looking like it's gonna work now. So if you got into there and you hold it on, which I know some people would have, up 7 pips, it'd be break even now, and then hope this can continue. So it did hold it, beautiful. But realistically, that 30-minute could have wicked all the way up if it wanted to.
Yeah, but you see,
I'm not taking that.
Test of structure than a trend line.
Oh yeah.
So still a good.
But the trend line here, the confirmation as well with the closure below. That's also closure below support as well.
Yeah, but I think once you get the retest of the trend line, it's a double whammy, man. You know, so it's you definitely in balls deep because you engulf the range, you engulf the trend line, retest of the trend line. Oh man, you in that every day.
Yeah.
You know. So that's basically what you want.
Right, how do I go get this fucking pinned message? Oh no.
Just hover on it, like go to the group and hold it and unpin. Man.
Oh, there's another one. Oh wow, amazing. There we go. There we go, nice. I did think I did something like that before. I missed it. I was waiting for a nice top wick on gold. Yeah, man. Looking good now though for people in. Get a push down to 1783.5 would be nice.
Asian lows.
Yep. 30-minute could still make a bigger top wick. Yep, for sure. So if this was anything but the 30-minute, and if this closed and it was like any other time frame apart from the start of an hourly or start of a 30-minute, then I'd still be in this. But it's not, man. It's the start of 30. 30 like to make nice big top wicks. Please check NZT GPY. Send me a chart, my man. Northeast Trader. Oh, looking like people maybe get breaking even here. Oh.
Who would want to be in this? Now me, man.
Not anymore. So we'll see what it does when it comes to the trend line. See the score. And there we go. So what's it called?
John Wick or whatever.
John Wick, yeah. John Wick, suck a dick. There you go. This is why.
John Wick will kill you, man.
Gold will break some hearts. Let's look at that. I'm okay. Max, since gold was bearish and gold fell under 30, are we looking at 1780? Let's take a look at the 30. Yeah, 1781.8. I'd say. I wouldn't say 1780. 1780 is just in here. It's either 1781.8 or 1777.9. There's no in between, right? It's either going to go to there. If it breaks that low, it's going to go to there. Okay, so I don't know where you get 1780 from. Try and make that a little bit more precise, let's say. Definitely in those areas, right? Yeah, so I'll do another sim on Friday. Actually, fuck it. I quite like doing 3 sims a week. 3 sims a week feels like you've got, you know, you've got a lot of content there. I like 3, and I quite enjoy it. Man. It's good shit. It's good shit. It's not bad. It's fun. So we'll do 3 sims, and then I'll put the homework out on Friday, and then I'll put a webinar out on Friday as well. So I'm a busy boy. Busy boy. It's funny, like, I remember, like, telling my mates, like, at the start, I'm like, oh, yeah, my job's fun, like, you know, I teach people and I just trade, and I finish at, like, 2:30 now. I fucking doesn't do that now. I tell you that. Oh, my God. I got 12-hour days. Raj's 5k and 75 lot, sorry. Wait, when was this? When was this? Is this on Instagram or something? Mr. Raja. Oh, there, I can see it. Oh, he took a gold buy. He took a gold buy. It's 1785.7.
Hey, we read this in the train line.
It's broken in.
It's broken it though. Yeah, I don't like that.
Jesus. Are you sure?
Closed above it. Yeah. What I wanted was this candle. Well, this candle here, this one there, to wick up and then close below it, and then this one to come back up, close below again, and then take it.
On my terminal. I'm on my terminal. I didn't close above.
Yeah, same here.
Oh, interesting.
But I didn't enter because I didn't get a retest on the trend line.
Yeah.
You serious?
Yeah.
I did.
Nope, I didn't.
To the T far flip as well. So see what I mean? If you held it on there, guys, you'd have lost that trade. So there we go. Being a little bit more, it's not just a 5-minute closure and you take a win, you take a loss. No, you can really manage your trades even when you're in them. Just gotta be on the ball.
So now also we've closed below. You can get in on the fill up, break up the low. It's up to you.
Well, we haven't closed below yet.
We have on the 30.
We have on the 30 and on the 50.
Fair.
So yeah, break of the 30 lows. Stop loss above. Yeah, I'm probably gonna take that. I think that's gonna be much easier for me.
Even on the flip, man.
Yeah, I suppose.
Because we've broken structure.
That's true. How much would my stops be if I got it on the break of the low here? 15 pips? Oh, I'm taking that.
Break it low.
Yeah.
I hate to break it low, man.
I know you do on GJ, but Goldie, it's pretty reasonable. I mean, well, you can get on the flip then. Just get on the flip.
I'm already in. I don't need to get on the flip.
Did you get in just up here randomly? Just fucking taking it?
Thanks for the heads up, Jay. Thanks for the heads up, Jay.
Jay, and now Jay's gonna try and explain how he got in here, but all he did was press sell.
I'm gonna say anything. You know what? I'm gonna close my trade and just get off stream.
Do you know what? I'm actually gonna get on the 30-minute flip. I think, yeah, because it's below the zone and we'll be leaving the zone again.
That's the closure, like you trade, 100%.
Yeah. Okay. 1785.29.
Don't tap me, please.
Oh no.
I don't like it if it moves like this, man. I don't like it. Like usually when I'm in a gold trade, I'm in immediate profits. Like I don't like it if it.
Chingus.
I was like that, man. I just want the drive. I want the rejection. I want the tapping, and I want the drive. I don't want to have a. Man,
look what it's retesting on 5, Jay.
The support.
The double bottom.
Yeah, the double bottom neckline. Oh fuck! Let me just close.
Yeah, if this 15 closes bullish, I'm deleting this.
You just close off.
If it closes above like this area here, then nah. If it closes below there, I'm happy with it. But
yeah, it's kind of like contradicting, man, because you have a break of structure, and then you have a charting pattern into a charting pattern. So. Hey man, it's actually the first time I'm seeing it like this, eh?
the only thing for my cells as well, it's closed below on the 30. Let's look at the hourly again. Look at the 4 hour. Yeah, I've got 3 pips that 4 hour res.
I don't like how it's the way it's forming.
Yeah. I also don't like it.
Because it's creating support and then it goes up and then it comes down and it retests the resistance on the 1 and 3 minutes and then it goes up again. I don't really like it.
Yeah, I've got out here 50 minutes close, bullish back above. Fuck that.
What about the 15 salary?
That's where I'd be in, but nah. I think also with the confidence that gold is fucking bullish overall, man. So like, you know, the sells are short lasting, and if the sells are already starting to struggle, I don't think it's a good play. Everyone's whining on about GJ. What the fuck are you guys talking about GJ? Nothing's happening. Shit. GJ. Fucking GJ. 40 minutes left. I'm gonna wait for this hourly to close. GJ is fucking garbage again. It's below the Asian range, which is good. It's rejected the highs. Top wick flip to continue down would be nice. And fill that range, but closures below. I mean, it's just it's right at 163. I'm not playing with 163. I'm waiting for below 870. Yep. Can GJ just fucking stop trading between the whole numbers? I've done it for ages now. Like, just get past them. Look how many times it fuck around 163. I'm not playing with that. Stop playing with me. Where is Mr. Daniel Savage? Is he still streaming or whatever? Daniel Savage. What the fuck is this?
So, you know, I'm missing a few shirts, right? I'm missing a few Balenciaga shirts, some off-white shirts, you know, some Gucci shirts, and I'm like, yo. And then my girlfriend moved back in, and she's been doing the laundry, so I'm like, yo, I'm trying to get a nice shirt tonight. You know, I'm going to youth group and whatever, and
youth group.
I look through the clean clothes that's remaining, and look through dirty clothes, and I'm missing some shirts, and I'm like, yo, whatever. Oh, man, I'll figure it out later. And I go to take a little bubble bath, right? You know.
What the fuck is this geezer talking about? Jesus Christ.
Shit.
Yo.
Oh my god, wow, you have a load of fucking designer tops. If you buy designer tops, it's because you're fucking ugly, you can't pull anyone, you think that's going to help, which it won't, by the way.
I can't believe
It's so true.
What the hell?
It's so
Where did that just
fucking.
come from?
It's so fucking true. If you think
Max is probably on a dry run.
the people that I know who wear design are the fucking ugliest kids I've ever met.
Yeah, man, but you can't say another person's child is ugly, man.
Another person's what?
You can't
I'll
say that-
I'll wear a fucking Primark talk and still fuck your bitch. Oh god.
You need to have that polo t-shirt, polo trousers.
Ah,
Max is
fuck
on a dry
off.
spell, that's why it's a
No.
little myth.
A dry spell, never on a dry spell.
I think it's
Even with the
Man.
body mate, I tell you what,
Oh,
dad
please,
bods.
Come on.
Dad bods are
I
in.
think it's subjective, honestly.
Nah,
Because-
Jace.
Like some clothes, like for example, like I feel some clothes is just
Like what? Give me an example.
quality, man. Like for example, no.
Don't give me that quality bollocks. Go on, tell me something. Tell me one. Tell me one that you like, because then I'll agree and I'll disagree.
No. So
Jace is a
myself-
G-Star
myself and-
Raw fan.
No, listen, myself and Brian, like we.
Don't include me in your conversation.
He's trying to get back up here.
I'll drop you under the bus quick, boy.
Wait, so Brian has been working on some design over there. So I'm gonna hook us up with the hoodie so he can throw his design on the hoodies. But imagine I must come to him with a fucking Pep Stores hoodie. he's gonna cheer me. Fuck sakes, brother, no way.
Yeah.
Get away with it.
On the quality cotton, boy.
You see, that's what I'm saying. It's subjective.
Ah, gold's flipped. I think it's 50.
Well, it's flipped back so you can get in, man.
Oh, it's a shame that 15 looks shit, man. It's a shame.
Ah, man, it's not bad.
It's the-
Boom, in. Stop loss previous week.
It's only 10 pips.
Yeah, let's go.
It's just a 15. Oh, look, see now. Oh. Thing is, that's the thing. You need to train your eyes to not look at like what's happening right now, because like there it looks alright, but when it flips back up there, it don't look good at all. It looks like it's holding support.
That looks like shit.
Yeah, you know what I mean? Like it's just like I know. Literally, this is so true, right? And the good thing about this strategy that we're using here is that if you look on the back testing like when we do it on back testing, there's zero brain power I am using to take these trades. Zero. Apart from when you get the closure, look at the higher time frames. If it looks retarded, don't take it. If the zone's too small, don't take it. If the TP's already been hit, don't take it. That's it. If you're taking any more brain power, it's too much. So it's great. You just sit here and just act like a retard because you don't need to use your brain power. It's great. How's that sell going for you, Jace?
I'm not in.
Yeah, you are. Fuck off. I heard you say, get in now, blue. Yeah.
I'm telling you now, he probably tried to take that doji. He got in early.
Yeah.
Doji, which time frame? I'm literally like, I'm just on the stream.
We're just on the stream. He's vibing.
Vibing, bro.
Max, did you hear about the guru who turned 10 grand into 1.5 in a week? Wow, amazing.
Oh, how cool. Fucking probably over risk.
We definitely did, yeah. Gold is not clean, yeah. But yeah, so give me a nice brand that you like, Jace, and I'll agree with you. I like some. I'm giving you a benefit of the doubt. I'm just saying like the big ones. Would you say like Ralph Lauren? Like, Ralph Lauren's alright. I think Ralph Lauren's, that's decent. So it's just not bad. It's for people. Some people like it. Some people don't like it. I think it's not a bad one. I personally still wouldn't buy £50 for a fucking top.
No, I don't disagree with you, man. That's what I'm saying.
I used to love Fred Perry. Dickies, yeah. So I go in Urban Outfitters all the time. That's where I go.
About Tom Baker stuff.
Yeah, Tom Baker. Tom Baker's like a nice, yeah. But I think it's just the over, like the proper like expensive. It's like, what the fuck are you doing? No one cares apart from you and like maybe a bunch of other goons near you.
Is Supreme expensive?
No. I used to resell Supreme. I used to have all the bots running.
Everybody with Supreme stickers and stuff.
Yeah. No, the tops aren't expensive, but they're not all good quality either. So that's why. It's just, you know, when I used to get some box logos and stuff, and they were like $60 for like a tee, but they would resell for like 200, 250. So that was why I got them. I just sold them. It didn't. The only thing I kept was the sledge. I quite like the sledge. So I use a Supreme sledge when it gets snowy. I had a zipper though. I had a Supreme zipper that was pretty cool. I wish you kind of keep that. That's pretty sick. It's mainly like the designer ones, like the Gucci's and stuff. Oh mate, like it's just. Oh. Have you seen the one that Balenciaga are doing right now? And they're just making like homeless shit. It's just a bit like, oh, I just don't like it. Look at this. Is anything going on? I'll just show you this bag right now. Trash bag. Look at that. You can buy this trash bag for 1,800, and then I like shoes, ruined shoes. Yeah, look, you can buy them. It's a bit like, really? So like you're now making things look like, you know, if you're homeless. What the fuck is this? I mean, do you not agree? Like, what the fuck is that? So someone could be like, if you think about it, like, in like a real world situation, right? Someone could be like homeless outside of Balenciaga, like camping out, and then someone walks out and paid fucking $5 for that in the bag and looks like the same geezer. What the fuck? That's stupid. Nasty. That's a nice trash bag. You have to be a cunt to buy them. Yeah. Yeah, a proper cunt. That is the definition of a fucking cunt. Oh, it's like I even felt that when I went into like Selfridges and shit and like Harrods, like in London. Like, man, I'm in there and everything's fucking expensive. Everyone in there's, you know, got some money, and then you go outside and there's homeless people to the left of the door. It's like, oh man, why can't we just like fix this bit? Like, it's a bit like.
Check that Yeezys.
Yeezys.
Yeezys in SA are like 10 grand.
What? Fucking I used to resell them as well.
That's the fuck up. You know what I mean? The exchange rate kills us with that shit.
Yeah, my mate, I should have gone on this other business opportunity, but you learn, right? One of my mates did it for ages. He used to camp out of sneaker stores, and he used to get quite big at it. And like, I was, I kind of want to get involved, man. I want my own pair, and I want to kind of like see what the crack is, because it's like, it gets quite confrontation. Like, you can't just go outside and end. So there's a store called like End. You can't just sit outside there in Newcastle, like, because people will be like, no, that's my spot, and they'll pull a knife on you. So you need to know everyone. And he says, oh yeah, come down tonight. And I was fucking hanging out my ass, and I couldn't do it because obviously you have to camp out all night. You get there at like 10 o'clock, 8, 9, 10, and camp there for a whole day. And I bailed, and I regret that, because he is a very, very wealthy man now. So what he did was he got into all this reselling, got loads of shoes, and what he realized was that he could ship a lot of them to China or Singapore, mainly Singapore, very, very expensive place, and they'll pay a massive fee for them because they want to get, you know, a big bulk of them. And then obviously he made a lot of money there. So now he's got links in Singapore, and now the Singapore people are like, obviously a lot of rich people in Singapore are now wanting everything. So he just gets them like Hermes bags, Rolexes, all this kind of shit. And that's where the big money is, obviously, because, you know, if you sell a 50 grand Rolex and get a little 2%, 3% commission, 4% commission, it's not too bad. Yeah, he's GHK. Yeah, that's what everyone used in TikTok. I saw that. So, right, it's coming up to 8 o'clock. As I said, it's at 163. Would you agree, Brian, or would you still be in... If this 30-minute closes, maybe... it's got support there as well. Yeah, fuck that. I was thinking maybe if it closes below, because it has swooped the Asian highs, it's already closed, but that was mainly the closure for me, really. No top wick, so... Which was the stop there, actually. Oh, stop was only 9 pips. Plugging me, Max. Oh, Nimrit's here! Shit, that's the guy. That's my boy. Nimrit's in the... Oh, is it? Oh, no, I think... Is that Nimrit? No. Is that actually Nim? It could be someone else. Nah, I don't think Nim won't be here, I don't think. What's the cheapest stuff in Harrods? Well, you can get it. It's actually, oh my god, it is Nim. Sheesh. Oh, did Goldie work out over here? 30 minutes flipping, 2 minutes left for this counter close. 2 minutes left. Harrods food. Nah, you can buy little things. No top Mick Michaels. What was this? EJ fake out? Ooh. Yeah, the thing is, it's faked out the Asian highs, closed bearish here. Nice top wick. How much was the stop here? The stops actually weren't that bad this morning, guys. 12 pips there, and GJ was also 10 pips. So that actually wasn't too bad. The only issue with this candle here is that it's got res here. It's came down and then closed back above it. It sucks a little bit. Dropped in this morning. That's mad.
Okay, 1 minute. Max, I'm gonna put the picture quickly in the group. Check that picture I put in the group.
Let's take a look. Wait, is that actually what he's wearing? Or
yeah. What the hell, man?
Mate, they're stompers. Imagine standing on someone's foot of them. Like elephant's feet.
I'd love to kick him, man.
Kanye's next level. Kanye's next level.
Buy that shit, eh? Oh,
I like the person, and I don't know. He's a bit mad.
Definitely, that's for sure.
I saw so when I saw Black Eyed Peas, obviously Will.i.am was performing, and they have so many similarities. But I feel Will.i.am's he's more in tune and more kind of content and not less like retarded.
Hey man, it's William. Why saying Will.i.am?
Will.i.am. It's all Will.i.am. William. You'd be like, who? What fucking William Shakespeare?
Exactly. Will.i.am Shakespeare.
It is Will.i.am. That's his fucking music name. Just in what trades we got? Nothing yet, my man. There was a gold buy, which I missed out on because the 30 had no bottom wick. But apart from that, nothing too much yet. We have his car that he's designed. Yeah, he's designed so many bloody cars, hasn't he? Yeah, man. If you're in this gold trade, good luck. The hourly time frame is going to close, but you can see here, also while I looked on the left, there is hourly support there. So, and overall, we are very, very bullish. So that's probably why we're struggling. So the 15-minute already is pushing down. The hourly is pushing down. I think it's going to be good for the sells below 877. It's going to be much nicer below there, I think. So I'm going to wait until that. Get past this 163 level again, because it is hard to trade there. And yeah, so yeah, if I take a look over here, I wish that gold was not half risk. Yeah, so I'm up like 4.5% so far. Even though the win rate's been, pretty poor, but if you look at the win rate, 62.5%. But if you look at my L's over here, -2 pips, -5 pips, -10. Okay, the rest are all beefy. So, yeah. See this right? I actually want to do this to show you because this closed at 57, but I'll fix that because this will be like something different than 18. I'll do that. So yeah, looking like GG's pushing down, which is good. Those shoes are edited. They are smaller than that. I did think so. I did think they look massive. Yes. GJ, get your ass down. Take a look at EJ as well. Pushing down too. Have you got another trend line yet? It's probably going to be from here now, isn't it? Nope. Will.i.am. Yeah, but when he was like singing in that, man, he was so good.
Oh my.
He was sick. Like his rapping was like proper. He didn't need any auto tune. He was just going for it, and it's like his rhythm was just fucking sick. He's got some bangers as well, man. I forget how good his songs are. Straight bangers. Yes, EJ's pushing down as well. It's good, man. looking good. Do you look at the 4-hour time frame now? Yeah, the 4 hours is a little bit rough. That's why I was a bit cautious up here. Yeah, was there any nice trade in Asian? Was there a double bottom on the 5 minute there? Would you class that as a double bottom, Bri? No, it's kind of just a support, isn't it? 12 minutes left for this closure. Bri, have you got a runner in? Did you get in high enough?
No, I closed 2 minutes.
Yeah, fair.
I had buys. I didn't take sells.
Oh, you had buys. That was it.
I missed the fake out sells.
Yeah, that was it. Missed him a little bit. Buy German 30. Okay, FX Cartels All Blue says buy German 30. Everyone buy it. Everyone buy it. Go for it. Go for it. Buy for it. Doo-doo. So we'll see this next 15 minute. I might have to be the 30. We'll see, man, because this is big 30 support as well. But I think with the 8 o'clock volume, the zone is good as well. 20 pips. We should be pretty good. So already half of percentage of the gain from last month. Last month obviously was on holiday as well, but half already, so that's pretty good. Looking like a good start. And yeah, we'll see. Oof. So if you did get in on the break of the lows there, hourly open, yeah, 10 pips would be nice. Loki, you're starting to look like Roger Banks on stream. You're turning into the dark side, man. Just be quick and get them 100 pip moves, but be kind and give us entries too. What the fuck are you on about?
Jeepers.
What do you mean give us the entries too? I'm fucking waiting.
Manuel, what have you given that Octus, my boy?
Yeah. Is someone interested in gold 1 hour break of the lows? Of current low? It's doing that right now. It's struggling. But the good thing is it is rejecting as well. Yeah, it's alright. What about... Yeah, it's hard, man. I don't like the price action here. Can you see? It's a little bit everywhere. Bro, I've literally said when I got into a trade this morning, I got into one, and I went out of break even. Max is a Sith Lord. When you whispered 2, you sound like Raja's stream. I am so confused what you're talking about. Why you didn't give us entry, bro? Why aren't you trading for us? Okay, I'll take a look at Discord as well for some charts. But yeah, looking like we're still messing around 163, right? Which is fine. Which is fine. If GJ continues like that, we will probably need that Balenciaga trash bag. Yep. Beautiful. So who is this today? Gordon. Yeah, sells below 50-minute support with confidence of daily bearish. Yeah, that's beautiful. Clean traffic to the left. No traffic until 163,800. Beautiful, yeah. That's grand. When was that at? 556. Did that work out? Let's take a look and see how it would have worked out. This one here, was it? No. What the fuck was it? Was it down here? Did it not get a closure below? Looks like it probably didn't. Why no money in my bank account? I'm take. Oh god, cracked me up. Jim and 30 killed. Go see Jim and 30 chart. Oh, send me a chart, man. Well done. Killed it. How do I press sell? 86 likes, guys. Let's get this to 100 likes this morning. So overall this morning, I think, yeah, the GJ buy was pretty nice here whilst I was staring at gold pointlessly. Pretty good. The EJ is also, pretty reasonable. The stops are actually not that bad there. They weren't that bad at all. This wasn't too bad as well, the closure here. You wouldn't have to wait for a top wick because the stop was decent enough, which is nice as well. Why is my camera now look shit? 1 second. That hasn't actually made any difference while I do that. So yeah. So you see consistent little gains over here. So if you've got, you know, a 6-figure account, you're already up like 4,000, 5,000 for the month. It's pretty good. With only a couple trades, some of them were a little bit unlucky. For example, these ones running to TP just for 9.8 pips and going to break even. This one here I should have managed a little bit better. So it should have been really about 6%, but it's all good to continue with the gains. Just need that 37% month again. I'll be going on holiday for a year. So actually, right, let's just take a look and see how much I've actually, on average, made. So that's there. GJ 5-minute fake out. It's just a range for me. Compound. Let's see how accurate this. I should be actually. No, 1 second. Compounding spreadsheet. Okay. So I started this year with, well, not this year, this September, 100,000. By then I was like 116,000. Oh, I don't even know these ones actually. Shit, because you don't have it. I think it was 116,000 there actually in March. Right. Three 7. 1.2. So that one here was. Yes, GJ, get your ass down, boy. 13. I think that was 8. Sorry, 13, 10, and 8. I think. Yeah. $13. 10. Why are you laughing at, James?
Nah, man, I was a bit impulsive now on EJ. And
Yeah.
I took a sell on the break of the previous hourly low.
On what, AJ?
On EJ.
Yeah.
And I took a sell on the hourly low, but it just tapped my B. I was like 5-6 pips.
Yeah. Wasn't bad.
Yeah, it was cowboy.
Nah, I don't think it was. I think it was realistic because the break of the lows here on the hourly 645 is also the break of the 15 lows, the 30-minute lows, and if you've closed back below the Asian high, I think that was reasonable. I think I wasn't too bad. I just think
I was actually hoping volume would give me that push.
I think the only issue you have is the two lines here when they're so close to each other. Like these two lines, when they're so close to each other and it's right with the entry, you know, hasn't moved anywhere. Literally from the start of this day, it hasn't moved fuck all. So it clearly likes that level. Yeah. So there we go.
I don't have that lines there anymore because I'm straight on my terminal, man.
Oh, that's true. So there you go, right? So 213. I withdrew quite a lot there, though. I withdrew actually 20% there. But yeah, the compound is good, man. Even if you're getting even if you had a hard month, I think May, June, and July were hard months, but you can see the gains are still there. That's all you gotta do.
Easy months, man. What are you talking about?
Ah, shut up, Brian. Yeah, that's what just does it for you. But I like seeing the month to month. So yeah, just gonna wait a little bit further down, and then it could be quite nice, I think. Oh, you can see in months. Oh, sick. Balenciaga Crocs. Looking like gold. 15 is gonna close bearish now. Hourly's about to continue down. The 4 hour is as well. Anyone looking this on the 15 maybe close? I like the 30s more, but it's rejected them highs a lot. 15 pip stops. Manuel, what have you done with the gold? Have you just left it?
Yeah, I'm just looking at it. I'm drawing small trend lines, and now you have 1, 2, 3 touches, and this is breaking below. It'll be the 4th, but I don't really like it because I don't like it. Then I have another one. This one is quite better. It starts at 1781 and then touches at 1783. So I'm waiting a break of that trend.
So if I get in there and I break the 30 lows, we should come down to the support, and my stop loss would be for me 18 pips for only an 8 pip gain. Not worth it.
Okay, Max. So GJ's closing in the next 2 minutes, and I think a closure below on the 15 below 162 could be nice.
162 900 or 870.
162.9. I got a support level at 162.927.
Yeah, me too. But I also have one a little bit further down with this res here.
I don't have that. You see it? See them? Oh, I actually don't have that. I don't have that.
We're gonna close below both, I think. Anyway.
That would be nice, man. Just to down to 750.
Yeah.
Right. Almost even pulse system on the 5.
Come on.
You son of a gun.
You son of a bitch. As I laugh at Jason, I'm like, Jason's laugh because it's broke the low already.
Indeed, and I'm waiting for it.
18 pips in the previous. Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Was there any 5 minute entries?
No,
Nice.
I was watching the 5. It was literally, there was a doji, but because of the support just there, like usually once we break the support, then I'll take the doji. I won't take the doji if I'm trading into the support, if you know what I mean.
Yeah.
So also like Brian would say, that doji have a bit of a mean week.
Break the lows would be nice now. I just need to pull up a little bit more.
11 pips.
Getting in on the flip is harder because the stops are big. Brian, are you eyeing this up? I think your issue is the stops, isn't it?
100%.
Yeah.
It's such a big candle.
Yep.
See what another 5 gives you. Maybe the 5 is a celery.
Yeah. Yes, push up.
But it's just that wick. But the 5 at least reduces the stop.
Yep.
Yeah, just go on the 5, Max. Would you have taken that doji, Brian?
No, not that. No, that's more like a, what's a pinball hammer.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's not, yeah.
I'll send you a pic now of like ones I take.
No, I know. It's just if I look on my terminal, the candle is different. Max, I have it there on trading view.
Yeah, but remember your terminal's your broker, so it will be different trading a little bit.
The only thing for me is this 30-minute support there. I want to clear it. Because can you see how many times it's wicked here and rejected without a 30 close? Ah, it's a hard one. It's reflipping. Break of the lows might be alright. 9 pip stop. It's just there's also I like it to come up to 930 first, really. So get your fucking ass up, please. GG. Get your ass up. I still think your EJ is reasonable as well. It's just showing that the daily in there is right there. It's a little bit annoying. Spreads. Oh, spreads quite high. Oh yeah. Why are the spreads high today? 1.5. Oof.
It's Women's Day today.
Yeah, but that's only SA.
Yeah, man. SA matters. USD's off.
No bottom wick in the candle. Yeah, I also take that into consideration, right? I just don't think I'll trust this stop for getting on the break of the low there. Also, the support there, so it's not the nicest. Could go to the toilet, let this sort itself out. See the score.
Mike's drinking toilet water again. I thought once he leave, his dad then is gonna stop with this nonsense. If I told you that, to see
I think, just look at EJ. Big res on EJ. Oh, GJ, sorry, Goldie finally trying to go for it again. Jesus Christ, it's taking its time though, eh? Doesn't give you the best of confidence that it can run nicely, especially when the TP is fucking 6 pips away. GJ is just a little bit, yeah, I don't know. To be honest with you, looking back at it now, this is the trade I wanted. The one that Tom took.
Was nice.
That was nice. Yeah. What time is that at? 7:45. Yeah, man. 9 pip stop on the previous. Nice top wick. Where did it wick to? The resistance. Okay, GJ coming down. I want to take the low, but I don't like the stop. So I'm just going to leave it.
Yeah, but use current.
I know. Too late to get in anyway, really. Oh, I might. Let's take a look. Have you broke that 5-minute low? Yep. Okay. It's going down. I just jumped in over here. Unfortunately, didn't have much time.
Jumped in what?
I jumped in on the break at the 5-minute low on my screen.
On what?
On GJ. I'm 6
GJ.
pips, so I'm going to go break even already because I also took the low.
Yeah. Actually, no, I didn't get the low. I got in at 8:10. So I got on the. Oh, you got in here, Bri?
Yeah.
Okay, so you held that on the whole time.
Yeah.
Okay. Fair. If this goes back to my entry, I'm just gonna take it off.
No. I took the low of the current, and I used the current wick as.
Oh, okay. Yeah. That's fair.
but I might get BE here. So
Yeah, same. Yeah, I'm out at 800. Little option. I think if you look at the 5 minute, this should drive the break of the low. My issue is, and especially with the stop loss like this, is that it's not really protected because this is the stop. This is where I want. Yeah. Looking like it's gonna push now.
Mine went 6 and came back. So
yeah, it's a good opportunity. And the stop loss above the previous there, it's just 18. Yeah, it's too big.
Holy bejewels! Look at that.
That happens a lot, man.
Yeah.
Shit.
660.
Would have been a second banger for the morning.
Yeah. I got in the break. I got in here, and when it came back to my entry, I was like, nah.
No, we came back quick.
Ah, yeah.
So it's actually fine. I'm fine with that. I don't care about that.
Yeah. There you go, TP1 hit. You should have definitely closed some positions there, guys. Around like 60
It
pips.
didn't make any sense to me. I was watching this candle. I was like, okay, I was on the 5. Okay, rejection candle. Then all of a sudden, price pushed.
Well, it's still bearish, right? It's very, very bearish. All this is just making the top wick of this new candle. But then also the rejection, if it breaks that low, it's going to continue. And what what I've like seen Don take a lot of recently is when it makes the low where it comes back up and then re-breaks the low, then it's a good example. So Brian took. It works quite well because it's, if it re-breaks that low after it's made the new high, it's got to drive. So you can get at least a couple pips, right? And that's basically the whole of the way that Don trades, right? He can get his 10 pips on gold after it re-breaks that low pretty easy on gold, right? So that's why he's got a high win rate for that. So it works the same in all, right?
True, my man, true.
Gold is actually running more.
Yeah, but it's finally done it, but it wasn't nice. 4 hours about to fill that wick. Yeah, I mean, the issue you have here is that the zone itself isn't big. Like it's not actually that big. Like, look here. Like 15 to that wick there, and if you just got in like now, how much 8 pips.
Now we have a break of the trend line.
A re-break? Oh, on the 5.
No, a break of the new trend line.
This one from here?
No,
lower down.
Yeah, zoom up. Yeah, exactly. There.
Okay. Interesting. Oh yeah, we do. Oh shit. Where would I want to get in? Well, for me, not really the trend line. I'd rather come and retest that support first. Would you guys agree?
Yeah, that could be a nice place for the wick.
Yep.
Because it closed below.
Yeah, I'm not even going to go with it. Yeah, it's good.
Okay. Oh shit, 1 second. I can't change my TP2, but I've got it. I'm going to take a sell over here when we come up. Because you can get the retest, then you're going to be pretty good, right? So we're coming up 4 minutes left of this 5 minutes. We want to push it a little bit high. Ah, we missed it. Ah, motherfucker. The funny thing with the goal is that the 5 minute, you got to be there, man. If you don't have a long time. How did it wick? Yeah, it didn't even wick to the wick here, so it's nothing for me. I wanted this candle here to come and wick to there. Around them areas, 1784.79, and then get the drop.
Well, it's what it is.
It is what it is.
Just chilling here. 5 pops up.
You get in on that wick there.
I actually got in on the untested zone.
It hasn't tested it yet.
What?
It's fucking. Well, that's the resistance. Where's the untested, Jace?
The resistance.
So it's up there, bro.
Draw that zone.
I'll draw it along.
Look, I'm up 7. Okay,
Go break even, yeah. There you go. There you go. For me, I wanted it a little bit higher up. Only 1 pip different.
Exactly.
It's so annoying when it does that though, man. My sell on the signal was 1784.7. What? Yeah, it's higher up. So if you got in there, let's just go through the motions again. Even if you didn't get in, okay, stop loss is going to be either there or there. That's 10 pips, right? This is the support you want to take profit on. That's stop loss to break even. TP1 hit there. Where would continuation be? 1781.3.
Yeah, that's my TP.
Yep. Fuck's sake, man! I pip off. Fucking prick.
Come on, come on. You know,
Push.
Is an issue for me, but
1783. Yeah, it is. It's 30 support, but I mean,
Technically, Max, this would be a trade you would enter on the simulation. Why? You'd have the trend line, and you would enter at the retest of the trend line.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah. The thing about this is that the trend line, the stop is alright. It's only when the stop is massive, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, the stop is my stop from my entry is let me check, from there to there is 76 points, is 7 pips, 7.5.
Yeah, to be honest, this whole thing is just the whole part of doing signals, right? I had a fucking GJ signal and I have to change it now to a gold in the space of fucking 30 seconds whilst watching the trade. So it's just
so difficult. I don't know how you do it actually. No, honest, it's tough to do that. Like, how do you? It's harder, you know.
Yeah.
what was your entry, Manuel?
74, 84, 36.
Mine was 5-7. Nah, so why you have 7 pips and I got like 5 pips?
What?
Yeah, I had a 5 pip stop loss.
No. But did you close some, Jace?
Yeah, I closed all.
Yeah. Okay, that's good. Yeah. Is GJ bullish or bearish in the previous daily? Blueberry market showing bearish, but trading futures shows bullish. Okay, so yeah. Well, that's kind of telling you, right? It's basically entry, so it's nothing really. It's there's a gap up which makes it bullish on here. Let's take a look at what it looks like on my trading MetaTrader on set. It closed bullish too. Yeah. Why don't you prefer signals on computer and just set values and copy by computer as well? Seems quicker. What do you mean copy by computer? Still have to write them. There is that thing that I've been looking for to like put it on, but then you don't have enough time. I like giving people warning. Whereas like if it's a computer and I have them set here, you don't have enough time to like, put them on. So GJ's rejected, and it's probably going to come back up to 163 over here. So been quite an easy session in terms of just range trading on GJ. If you just sell the highs, buy the lows. For me here, this was the trade that I wanted, but I was focusing on fucking gold at the time. That one there. I wish I had two brains, man. It'd be good shit.
Imagine if I had 2 brains. Fuck.
Well, you fucking got this one. Well, no, actually, no, you missed this one as well, Brian.
Tom Bailey got that. Tom Bailey.
Yeah, I know you did. I know. It's gel. Got the gold. Nice.
Gold gave you the retest now at the zone that you wanted back.
Yeah, but for me, it's already hit TP1. It's one of my rules. But yeah, I know what you mean. I'm not taking a trade if it's already hit the pace I wanted it already to go to. Because if you think about it, like logically, my TPs are set normally if you're gonna sell at supports, right? Because that's where you. So if you're hitting a support where your TP then come back up, it has just bounced off the support. You know what I mean? And then you're taking a sell whilst it's bounced on it. That's what I think in my head anyway.
I was almost in GJ on the 5-minute for a buy. If it was just bigger, I would have been in that thing like hell, boy. Just. I was looking at this, I was like, oh, can you believe it? It closed on it.
True. I was like waiting.
DJ is onto us, boy.
Listen, were you also the candle?
Yeah, I like the. I didn't see the 5, but I like the 15 rejection here.
When
To
it
be
was
honest.
rejecting, yeah, but that's when it gives you that entry on 5.
Yeah,
Sneaky entries.
So I was actually waiting on the previous candle. So I got my rejection and I waited on the engulfing. I was gonna be in balls, ass, head, face, everything deep in blue.
Yeah. And then back at 163. That was nice. But and this is the good thing, right? So instead of making what's it called a negative about, oh man, it's just staying near 163. Use it to your advantage. If you know it's going to stick to 163 and you see rejection from the downside or the upside, you're probably going to go 163, right? So there, yeah, that's nice. So break of the highs there. You could have even gone in a little bit higher, like there, and the stop loss was 14 there. Yeah, so you had to go there 12 pips.
It's still okay. I would have used the support, which would be 10 on 5. No, I wouldn't have
Yeah.
worried about the rules.
Well, yeah, if it's gonna come,
Rejection.
yeah, if it comes down there, you're pretty fucked, aren't you? Anyway, so
Hundreds.
yeah.
It's crazy. I'm looking at EJ now. So EJ doesn't have the rejection, but it has the engulfing, and GJ has the rejection, but not the engulfing.
I got in gold, plus 13 pips, small lot running. Nice. And there you go, man. So, nice closure below again. Didn't wick me in by like 1 pip. Went down to TP1 and then came back up. Why did it come back up? Well, overall, Goldie's bullish, and that's the next support. If you look on the 30-minute, that's the next support. So, if you didn't take any positions at this level, can you see everyone in this group who took that trade took the positions off over here? You know, not to the exact. Just if you're getting down here, you got to close that button, because there's so much confidence that we're going to go up overall in this day, in this week. And you're at a 30-minute support, and the probability it breaks that when the trend is bullish is pretty small. So I think there, Jace, in that example, instead of closing 50, that should be closing 80, 90. So you start to see which ones you should close first and which ones you shouldn't, because that.
Also, I was just hopeful.
Yeah. I know. Yeah, I get that.
That we were gonna continue to the next support, because on the 30 we still above that support. We still at the 30 support. You know what I mean? If we closed below the 30 support, then I could have expected price to push all the way down. So the range was small. Like, it was a lot of stuff we discussed. You know, we got into it way before. So yeah.
Oh yeah. I know. The GG on the 30 looks even better. Oh, look at that! It's literally held support.
Yeah, 100%.
So that 15 was tasty. And very nice. And that was a range closure below as well. That one there, even that one there. So
just wanted that candle to be big. It needed to be a mil bigger.
Which one? This one.
The 5 minute. No, for the 5
where is this? Oh, here, yeah.
If it was bullish engulfing, like
yeah.
even by a mil, I would have been. That
yep.
Irritates me.
Definitely a killer, dude. Let's take a look at the spreads now. See if they've gone back down or they're still high. They're still a little bit high compared to yesterday. Now, what's the difference between today and yesterday? I'd say the volume. So it makes sense, right? The bigger the spreads, the less liquidity, less volume they've got, and the smaller, the more. So it makes sense why it's kind of not doing much today. They've actually set gold. I like this. Gold is like a set now. Look at that. They've actually set it. Fixed it. It's a fixed spread. So when it's now it's 0.9, and I know when news it went to like 1.8. So it's pretty good. Today is slow. It's Tuesday, man. I think it's not bad. I think there's opportunities. The trade that I wanted this morning was the gold buy. Unfortunately, the 30 had no bottom wick, so it put me off significantly. But it worked well. Still an option for you guys on the stream if you wanted to take it or not. Let's see who's taking trades today. What have you taken today? A win. A loss. You may have taken more. Oh yeah, break even. Oh no. All the bin lids are off school. It's meant to be slow. Oh shit. Yeah, for sure, Connor. So flip the 4 hour in the daily again on GJ. Oh man, I don't really want to go for the buys later on. I wanted to stay down. Fuck's sake. The buy range is ass.
Just freeze all terminals on FOREX.
Fucking GJ, bless it. Bless its soul. How many this morning fight? Yeah. Hey, I'm just glad that. Imagine if we didn't have the 5-minute trend line and we'd been just watching GJ for like a fucking month and a half. I'd be so bored of it. I'd be literally, yeah, on the 5, bri. Oh, that trade was nice though, I'm not gonna lie. If I had my other monitor, right, I'm fucking buying this monitor.
Just go today, Max. Just go.
Yeah, I know. Well, no, I don't go, Brian. I don't buy in shops. Come on, we're in a first world country here.
Shops.
Yeah, I know you do. You live in a fucking shithole.
No, because our packages get hijacked and have to wait for.
Exactly.
So I still go to the shops.
Exactly. Oh right, okay. That's why you have to go to the shops. Okay. Well, we go to the shops because our packages, fortunately, won't get raided, and also we won't. We save ourselves like fucking shitloads of money when we go.
Your return policies are high. You guys send back so much shit.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah. Yeah, and the customer service is great.
You have to be very careful with returns in South Africa. It can't be damaged. It can't be your tags removed. So much shit.
Really? Oh, Amazon. I could literally use a microphone for a month and send it back to Amazon. They wouldn't care.
It's amazing. I wish we had that. I had a mate that bought tools in America. He used all the tools to package up all his stuff, box all his stuff up to move back to SA. Sent all the tools back after he used them, so they were shit. Got a refund.
Oh yeah.
I'm like, how the fuck?
Yeah, literally, Amazon, like, well, because they're so big, right? 100%. Like, why not? Like, they don't care about you, like, refunding. As long as it's not, like, they'll look, right, and they'll go, if it gets past, like, I don't know, 1% of all things, and like, well, this is like an issue now. But, like, for the most part, they're just not gonna care. You know, to sell, like, fucking, I don't know, how many things do they sell a day? Like, how many items does Amazon sell? GJ sells. Did you just say GJ sells? What, 1 5-minute bearish closure? Are you happy to take sells here?
GJ salary.
On what? Oh, a buy. A 5-minute GJ salary buy. That's what. Wait. How many orders a day? Amazon ships 1.6 million packages a day.
Jesus.
Holy shit. That's a lot.
That's like 45 million packages a month.
Yeah. It's a lot. It's a lot. That is a lot.
Yeah.
If the GJ 30-minute flips, then it's a nice wick fill for sells. But it is at that support, man. How much would your stop be? 18. Is it cool to have such tan skin as you have?
That ain't tan.
I'm not fucking black. That's what? What did you say, Bri?
I said that's not tan, boy. That's powder.
That is proper tan. Oh wait, I got a new a smell-proof bag. Let me actually try it out. Let's see if it actually smells. A smell-proof bag. Basically, Caitlin was telling me off because my room stinks of weed. Right, 1 second.
Max needs to put his socks at the gym.
Yeah, I thought he said he forgot some smell-proof. Thought he has a smell-proof bag.
Right, I'm getting my top off. I'm not gonna lie, it's getting a bit sweaty in here.
There we go.
Why is there so many South Africans in your group? I don't know. I didn't think we have very similar banter. Just take the piss out of each other.
It's because we add so much to this group. We keep it moving. We're the cogs. Oiled, well-oiled machine.
Yeah, look at that bag. It's cool. It works well. Can't smell anything. I like it. Nice. Fire dog. Yeah, Goldie's done its thing now. So, I mean, yeah, nice buys here. Beautiful. The sells were... Could have got in there. If you really wanted to. But for me, it didn't really close below. But it's a nice rejection, man. It's good. Is it cool to have such tan skin as you? I just don't think people really care. I sure don't really. Actually, no, I like being tan, to be fair. Yeah. I hate being pale. I hate being pale, milky boy.
I was just gonna say, when you were gonna say I don't care, I was like, coming from the guy that was going to the turning.
100% thanks, Scott.
Whatever you call it, booth or thing.
Yeah, I like being tan.
He didn't want his bikini lines for the day.
Celery on the 5. 11 pip stop. God, Jace. 30 seconds close. I think the one beautiful thing when you start mastering trading is you don't get the FOMO anymore. Like, you don't care. Like, and what you also see is, like, you want an entry. For me, that is an entry and a half. This one is, you know, it's still reasonable, but I'd also be annoyed if I lost it because of the fact that this was the perfect entry. Five-minute close bullish. 15 close with no top wick and right at 15-minute res. Good luck, Jace.
I'm up for books, so
You take the celery.
I took the celery, man.
Bastard.
You have 4 pips, or you fuck? You have 2. You have 2, if that.
Let me see that entry. On the support, it's at the bottom. He got in at the bottom.
That's not a fucking celery, you piece of shit. That's a celery. That's called the fucking cabbage. Oh god. Man, I really hope GJ comes back down. I'm gonna take sells below 1877 if he closes below 162, 870 again. I don't want the buys, please. Not because I don't want Jason to win this trade, by the way. That'll also be a bonus, but it's mainly because I want sells later on. I'm joking, Jay. I can't be fucked. No. I find it enjoyable. It's great. I like playing.
You have the best.
I put my picture in the group. I put my picture in the group to show.
We have the best mentor. What does your mentor do? When I'm in a trade, he doesn't want me to win it. Nah, the reason is, guys, is because this upside on GG looks fucking disgusting. Oh, look at the flower, bro. Oh no. Well, even the cells look pretty wank as well, to be honest. Just in the shit area. Everyone looks better with the tan. No, but it's funny, you know, if you go like, I swear, like, I saw a documentary in Jamaica and stuff. They bleach their skin to look white. Well, yeah, I know, but like, you know, I think it just depends where you are, right? If you're from like a pasty white place, you want to be nice and tanned. If you're tanned, you probably want to be pasty white. Even though I don't know why you want to be pasty white. It's pretty shit.
I'm not pale, but I've got a nice tan, but I'm always like in the sun,
Fuck off, brah. You're pale as shit. Look at your fucking picture.
No, that's an old pic, mate.
Alright, okay. Really? I always know you as this fucking bald white man. Like really white.
Yeah.
Look how white you are, pale you are there. You definitely
Probably from 10 years ago.
yeah, you definitely took a picture of that in fucking England, didn't you? That's why you were pasty.
Yeah, I'm playing golf and fishing and stuff. I get tan.
Yeah.
Natural light, not tan can light.
No, that's natural. Natural from the tan machine. Very natural. Organic.
Very natural.
Organic cancer cells. They're pretty organic.
Organic cancer reaction.
Yeah. I'm looking way healthier with the tan. Yeah. I hate looking pasty and white. Ugh. Yeah, man. So basically, I was out in Newcastle, and I remember this guy being at the gym, and I was like going to the sunbaths by then. This motherfucker would come in. He was like 2 years younger than me, and he was black. I was like, what the fuck? Obviously, a bit too black, to be honest with you. He was getting a little bit like, oh. But then I asked him. I went up to him. I was like, how the fuck are you more tan than me? I'm bashing these, and he goes, oh, I do the nasals. And he says they fucking work. He sniffs something, and it starts the what's it called, the pigment thing. Yeah, it starts it up.
Never heard of it.
Yeah, it's quite big. It's big in the UK for like the chavs and that. They love it. They love that shit. Yeah, it's sniffing. Like, yeah, it's pretty bad, I think. MT2, it's a tanning peptide. With cocaine, yeah. A double whammy. What do you mean too black? Well, he was like, I don't know, like there's a stigma, isn't there? There's called, what's it called? Black fishing? Is it black fishing? Where like, yeah, it's quite a big thing in the UK. Like people get told off for it and shit. Like there's loads of like, if someone gets tanned, a lot of girls get too tanned, like white girls, and they're literally looking black, and people say it's tan fishing or black fishing. So it's like you're trying to be so. I actually don't know why it's offensive, but it is definitely offensive. But obviously I wouldn't know because I'm not black. But yeah. I actually had an argument with my lass about it one time because we had an argument about it. I'm like, what? But that's how a lot of the left think, to be honest. She said that people on Benidorm were blackfish, and I go, no, they're just trying to insinuate that they're chavs because loads of chavs wear loads of fake tan. But anyway, that was a big argument, which was out of nothing.
Aren't they the best?
Fucking painful. And now she goes to me, Max, you want to watch Benidorm? Nope, you've ruined it. You fucking ruined it. It's a great show as well. You've ruined it now. It's a racist show apparently. So yeah, GJ's fucking around here. Did you get 10, Jace, or not?
Not yet, just a 7.
Oh. No, you didn't get at the bottom there then. Where the fuck did you get in, you liar? There. Oh, you got in there, didn't you? Yeah, you got in there. Oh, break even for you, Mr. Jace. Break even.
So basically the break of the bull high. Just above your 4-hour flip.
Yeah, I thought it was. Nice. Is there any news later on? Nothing really.
See what happens when our mental goes against us, Jace. Invoice
him. Get the fuck down, GJ. Please do not go over there. I really beg. Oh my god. Do you know what, guys? I'm not going to do an NY session. I'm going to put an alert there, and if it doesn't get there, then have a great time. Not fucking playing up here. Please get down, please. To be honest with you, if you had to take a look at the 4-hour and go which day is the best day to trade GJ, this one is definitely not in the high ranks.
Every day, boy. Every day.
Nah. The 4-hour is rough. If that was the 50-minute time frame, you'd be well away. But if it comes, I mean, if it breaks 162,570, I'm definitely selling. That'd be good.
Yeah, it looks good. I like that too.
Yeah, that'd be real nice. Your Newcastle Birds love us, mate. Do you like black people? I fucking love black people. Your Newcastle Birds love us. I love that. Yeah, to be honest with you, you'd be surprised. Like in Newcastle, there isn't that many black people in total. So that's there's not, like in my school there was one black person. One or two, maybe two. There wasn't many. And it's funny, like it's just different places. Why is that though? Like the further south you go, the more black people. But if you go up north, like if you go like where I was on Friday and Saturday, man, no chance. It's just so high up. But like, why is that? Like, why can't like people just same as like in Scotland? There's not like many people like that as well. So interesting.
Farmland, maybe.
Yeah, I suppose. Yeah, farmland is more. It's more like farmers, and it's normally like a family business, which they've had for fucking donkey's years, like, you know, hundreds and hundreds of years. So they're gonna be there for a long, long time. Yeah, that's true. That farmer job does not look fun. Anyone a farmer here?
I'd love to have a farm.
Really, but like doing the actual graft.
Yeah, well, I mean, I'll do some of it too.
You do fuck all of it, Brian. You just walk around and look at the animals and get someone to work it.
I would do some of it, like at my wife's one of the houses. I built like a hydroponics garden setup, but obviously we're not there, so I switch it off. But when we are there, then
what are you growing?
Just lettuces and stuff, man. Not maxes.
Ah, grow the gas.
I don't smoke weed, Scott.
Do you not?
I don't know. I don't poison my body, not this temple boy.
That is not poison. It's from God.
No, I don't smoke, unfortunately.
Ah, I'd love to get Brian baked. Now, to be honest with you, I mean, I actually, when I got back, like when I tried it, like recently, like in the past couple of days, man, it is, so like when I was in uni and you just fucking around and like, I know I had some work, I was all my mates and we had nothing to do. It was beautiful. It was amazing. However, people who are doing it like I mean, Manuel is a different breed, right? But I'm saying on my personal opinion, if you're doing it like every day, I just don't know how you can function. But some people can function on it, which is fair enough. Like I get that. But for me personally, like if I did it all day, man, like even one hit.
I just don't like the smell and stuff of it.
Even one like toke of it, I'm knackered. I'm knackered all day. So like, so when we're in grind mode, when I'm like got shit to do, I've got my journal to fill, man. It's not good at all. So that's why, like, if you know, I like doing it to relax on the weekend with the boys. That's nice. I like that. That's the only time I do it, when the boys come, really, from uni. We'll go get baked, go get some nice food, and then go watch a movie. Beautiful.
You only do it with the boys.
Yeah, I don't do it by myself. Fuck that.
If
I do it by myself, I'll probably get into that bed, have a wank, and then pass out for 10 hours. What's the point in that? Like, what is the point in that?
For real, man? You won't even call her. You won't even do a call in. You will take a wank, rather.
Yeah. Oh, and I'd also order a take. And I'd also order a takeaway. No, I'd order like a. So now I've put weight.
Old trouser snake.
Yeah, I've put on weight. I've wasted my day. But I've had a wank, I suppose. But that's it.
Listen, all your socks are probably so hard.
Man, fuck that. That's why you got that tennis elbow.
That's why you got gout.
That's why I've got good fucking. That's why I got good arm wrestle technique. Like, I smoked every day for 10 years. Being a year off now feels great. Wow, well done, man. Yeah, I could see that. I mean, it's the funny thing about it is it gets such a bad rep, but it's just the same as everything, man. If you do anything in high and and if you do it like constantly, then it's gonna have some it's gonna have some issues, right? If you consistently do anything really that's not like completely natural, then it's just gonna of course it's gonna fuck you up. if you drink alcohol all day, you're not gonna be the best, and that's legal. So it's just like, yeah, it's just all down to you as a person, right?
At the nightclub, I was toasted every day of my life for 2.5 years.
Really?
Yeah, because the thing is, when you drink with groups, they spend more money. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So it was hectic, man. It was good. I was young. I was 21.
Yeah.
So it was fun.
Well, you owned it then at 21.
21, yeah.
Fuck me, you posh boy. How much money did you get from your trust fund?
I had all my own money, man. not a cent. Not a cent from
Good
my
lad, good lad. Well, how did you do it then? How did you get the equity?
Well, I went to the UK, came back.
Ah, that's a good. Wow. And then obviously you exchanged it. The exchange rate was good, and you got
100%.
Wow.
At that time, it was almost 20-1.
Wow.
So
wow. So did you do that like on purpose? You kind of go, I can experience this, see what the crack is, and also maybe if I want to come back,
I left my bucks with a mate in the UK, and then I said to him, okay, I'll tell you when to transfer it.
Wow.
You banged the queen, man.
Stealing off us Brits, yeah, man. Did you pay any tax for that, little pussy? Pay for our beautiful NHS, which is fucking shit.
Yeah, why would I pay for that shit?
Oh, man. I'm literally sitting here crippled with so many issues, but I just can't be asked to ring the doctors. I'd rather just die in pain.
If you need to go for like surgery or something, get it done while you're young. Get it done, though. You know
I know. It's mainly missing the live stream, man.
Because scared of an operation, like it can sort you out. You know what I mean? I've had many operations already.
The issue is, in this country, you have to ring up. If you want an appointment, you have to ring up at 8 AM. 8 AM is the prime time London trades. So it's just not... and you have to be on the call for like 10-15 minutes and wait, and then they go, hi.
Just do it, Max.
And then, I've moved to Leeds now, and because their corporation is so whack. Oh my god, I can literally argue about this all day. Why can't I just go on an app, change my address, book an appointment, and fucking go? Why do I have to ring up some random bitch you're paying? There's no point.
Use e-consult, Matt.
What?
You not use e-consult where you just fill it online.
Oh my god, there's something like that?
It's called e-consult. If you go on Google it, use e-consult NHS. We do it in Anik. You just you write in your problems. It gives you a load of questions and it says, right, we'll message you back today, and you get in.
E-consult. Oh, there.
Yeah. It'll be everywhere in the NHS.
Oh wow, this is a gem.
Game changer.
Oh fucking hell.
He's in a first world country. Jesus.
E-consult for patients.
That's good. I would do that, Max.
Yeah. But I do have a lot wrong with me, man. Like yesterday, Caitlin was like, Max, can you get the shopping bags from like the top? I was like, okay. I jumped up, and when I jumped back down, man, my knees were like, my knees are crippled.
Like an 8-year-old.
Yeah, if you see me walk, I walk like a fat man because I'm waddling. Not because I'm fat, you fucking cunt. But it's because my knees are. And my ankles have got Sever's disease. So I've got I had a lot of stuff, especially wrong with my legs. It's a pain in the ass. When I was younger, I'd have 2 casts on for fucking 6 months. That was great.
Toast boy, done.
No, just need getting titanium legs. Looking like Terminator. Okay, GJ breaking again. There's no bottom wick, so it's okay. But breaking. Another celery there. Go, Jace. Go.
I'm not gonna say that.
Look at the push of gold.
Oh, nice. I got all this shit now.
Somebody spoke of it. I did not mark it because it was kind of aggressive. But you have a 5-minute trend.
Oh, it's an hourly closure. Sorry, Manuel.
No, continue.
I'm quite liking the buys, to be honest. The reflip of the break. The fucking stop loss is massive. What are you saying, Manuel? Go for it.
But if you put it on the 5 minutes, you extend it a little bit. You have a trend line that goes to the top, but it is kind of aggressive, and it closed right under it, or on it, to be honest.
On there. I like the 30 bullish close, man. I like the little wick it's making. If it comes and retests that 4-hour trend line, I like even more, and then I'll probably get in on the break of the high here, stop loss below, that'll be 10 pips. The only issue I have right now is the stops, because the stop on the, below the previous is 33 pips. So that kind of sucks. Push down further, please. No, 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 no. Okay, it's flipped. Looks good to continue. Why are you laughing at that? What?
Myself and Jason and chat think we both think that fucking said it.
God.
If I said he might trade, eh? His trade comes through immediately after that.
Beautiful.
That was a quick TP, you know.
Quick. 230.
No bottom week. The thing is this now. I like the salary because of the previous bull candle.
Do you know what the scary thing was about that though? Is another head and shoulders forming, so I was a bit wary about the buy.
Yeah, I was.
Oh, look at Goldie. What a fucking banger. How much is your stops on the break of the high? Would have been okay. 10 pips. Not bad, not bad. Oh shit. Oh shit. Daily's about to flip.
Oh, Goldie.
Have you got another trend line break?
Yeah, on the top.
Oh.
Things are moving, man. Things are moving, boy.
Yeah, what the fuck is all this at 9 o'clock? Okay, finally.
So late.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I didn't even have this month.
Oh man, this is.
I don't have an entry on gold. So I'm too busy focusing on GJ. My God, I can't believe it.
Where would the stop be? Here? Oh. I mean, 23 pips isn't bad for such a bullish closure like that either, to be honest.
I had like 2 straight lines on gold. The one was like very steep. I didn't like it. And then the one that's currently breaking now. So the previous one I had, there was no retest of the trend line.
Manuel, what do you think about the stop here?
Stop where? The trade you took?
No, this one here, this closure, yeah.
I want to retest. If I get the retest, we won't have as much as a bigger stop.
What? It's still 23 pips.
It's 22 pips, yeah.
Yeah. That's half risking it, so it's not bad, but oh.
But don't think we will get it. It's pushing hard. I don't know why.
So there's 4 hour. It's breaking above 4 hour.
Oh my days, gold is going to the moon.
Yeah. Rocket!
I don't like missing a gold trade, man.
Yeah, that was too steep there. Man, I wish I got on that fucking 15 flip, man. The 22 pip stop now actually isn't that bad. Oh, it's 32. Yeah, it's 32. It's quite. I did think it was quite big. This is looking good, man. Wow, that whole 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock was just garb. Wow. Yeah. Let's take a look. Oh, Andrew, did you get in? Oh, EJ is looking good as well.
Did you get in, Max?
On what?
On gold?
No, bro. I wanted to come back here.
Oh, I got in. Well, I didn't get in on this trend. I got in on the previous setup that you were talking about.
Who, me? Oh, on the 15 flip.
On the flip.
Yeah.
Yeah. I took it there.
My issue was the stops here with 30, 32. Did you just have current?
Yeah, I just took the current.
Yeah, current worked well. Very nice. See how this behaves over here. Oh my god. So I would not be getting in here now, guys, because we already hit TP.
Get in, man. Get in.
Shut up, Bri. However, Lowry has no top wick, but we'll see.
Don't, Max. Don't swing it.
No. I mean, I thought you were about gold. Yeah, I'm definitely not getting gold. But EJ is not bad.
Oh, it's clean. Yeah.
Yeah. 4 out untested is there.
Yeah, 100%.
Oh, why is it right at 138? Just when it starts to look good, you're at a fucking whole point again. Nah, it still looks good though. 7 minutes left. See what this close it does. Went from looking bearish to bullish real quick. Yeah.
Feels good to take a 15-minute trade on GJ. Haven't done it for a while.
I know.
It's weird. Feels weird.
Yeah, that's reasonable. The reject. Let's look at the 30. The 30 should fill the zone, so it did that right. Yeah, beautiful. GG on crack. Yeah, looks like this could be maybe a little bit of news.
What was that?
I didn't find anything on Forest Factory. Nothing.
Not even on here.
Nothing.
Oh, there.
Oh, it just came up.
Oh no, this looks like just a no. This is just someone's little blog, I think. Someone's little blog. Thought Max is gonna take the gold trade. Yeah, I mean, I would have if I don't know. I just think it's the lower wick wasn't perfect. I mean, the break of the high was pretty reasonable, especially with the volume. Did Putin do something? Max, when you're going full risk on gold, we'll see, man. Maybe next week. We'll see how this week goes.
Oh, we have some big news this week.
Mm.
Yeah, we have CPY tomorrow. And then we have PPI on Thursday. We have GDP on Friday.
Mm.
Bring it on. Bring it on.
Bring it on, boy.
Bring it on. Bring it on.
Yeah, the thing is this. I know spreads are massive, but like if I check like some of the funded oaks, the spreads they have, I might as well take the trade.
Yeah, you want for the news?
No, exactly.
For the news?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. That gold one that Raja took, I think on IC. Did anyone on IC take Raja's trade on the news? Because Raja got slipped loads, but I think the spread was good. So yeah.
I see Jacob.
Oh, it's the boss. It's fuck now.
Listen here.
Is that the boss?
Yeah, there's another warning coming in hot, boy.
Jason, I know GJ's ran, but I know GJ just got the salary play, but you gotta go back to work, brother. I got slipped on IC. How much did you get slipped? Was it the same exact entry as Rajas? Was it the same slip, like the same fucking 40 pip slip or some shit?
47 pips.
Yeah, that's I just know, like, if that was me, like, just with my luck, that would have gone 47 pips minus 47 pips real quick.
Yeah. And he still held it. That's the thing. He still got profit out of that.
I know. Well, no, he got to break even, I think. Or yeah. But he did. It went like 9-10 grand in profit. He just didn't close it. I know. GJ sell? Oh, come on, bro. Why are you gonna take a sell? Send me a chart and I'll take a look. But I can't really see a sell right now. It's just hitting the highs and rejected. It's still in this range. Took the same trade but only 12 pips slip. Wow. Gibbon, what were you on? IC or what? What broker were you on? Because that doesn't sound too bad, eh? GU's looking good for a closure above. Same as Don, our Blueberry, nice. You got slipped in IC markets as well, 48 pips, nice. So Blueberry looked like it didn't get slipped, interesting. You've only got 12 pips, man, you're 30 pips already. Oh, that's sick. Do you take the 5-minute trendline NY as well? Yep. I got slipped 47 pips and I closed 28 pips in profit on IC. Ah, nice.
Just took the 5-minute doji on gold.
Oh, big doji play.
Yeah.
Wait, what?
Wanted to try that.
It hasn't broke the high.
Take it on the flip. It's a bit big of a doji, but did you take the flip, Manuel?
Yeah, I the 5 minutes made a low wick first, and then I took the flip off that 5.
That's good because I think that's what I think Sash quite likes doing that. So it comes back down the trend line. You don't take it by instantly. See what happens. Closes above. Next one makes the lower wick, and then you get in the flip. Yeah. Sash gets that quite a lot. Nice.
And stops were very, very small. Stops were 8 pips.
Yeah, that's good.
Small.
That's good. That's good.
Yeah, took 10 pips already.
This one might continue as well. It could be good here if it breaks that high. Oof. Very nice. So the 5-minute, if I go through all of them this morning, I always like to do this just to see. This one I wouldn't have got because it didn't really make a top wick and I didn't really close below the support. This one here came up first, then it came down, so I wouldn't have taken that one. Was there another one as well that we took? Oh, the sell further below. Yeah. This closure, this top wick, going to sell here to continue down and break even. Was there another one before? Oh yeah, the buy. Yeah, the buy with no bottom wick, which worked out beautifully. It's just for me personally, I'm not going for that shit. There. That there's beautiful, man. I'd happily take that any other day apart from the no lower wick. EJ fake out on EJ. Ooh. It's got no. Yeah, it's interesting. That was a burst of volume. Let's take a look at this chart from Danny Boy. Gold max trendline break strategy. It's actually Jason's, but I'll take the credit. Pre-London low. Okay, so nice tat here. Number 2, respect and rejected. 3 was trying to get in at the 30-minute flip with very small stop loss, but sacrificed 5 pip early entry for extra confirmation. Entering the break at the previous low. Beautiful. And I continued to 12 pips. Very nice. Yeah, and that was on the 15-minute time frame. Yeah, beautiful. I'm trying to think of. Does anyone know what trade Raja was trying to take before? He got in like here. I don't know how late on it was. I think it was there, maybe that candle there. 30 minutes. I don't really know. That's when you know Raj's like changed from back in the day, man. If someone told me Raj's took a trade on stream back in the day, I'm like, yeah, give me three seconds to find which chart it was, and I'd be like, yeah, there's that one. Look at the 1-minute candles around 9 AM the past month. Monty's been talking about it a lot. It's been a lot more 9 o'clock. Is that because of the clocks? I think it's something to do with the clocks.
I don't know when they go back.
Yeah. Is it September, October? I don't know.
But then it becomes a longer day again.
Hey boy. What brokerage do you recommend? I recommend IC Markets for the spreads, the withdrawals. I've been doing it for a while with them. They're amazing. Well, I've been doing it forever actually. What happened to Rajesh? Seems like he started to act like all the Forex gurus. Nah, he doesn't, man. He doesn't at all. Rajesh provides value. He provides really good, especially his Instagram. Make sure you go watch his Instagram. It's very, very good on loads of different things. He's not a Forex guru at all. He only flexes like tiny things, man. And he didn't do it for fucking 4 years. He's just having a bit of fun now, man. He's made it. I give it to him. Now he's just having a bit of fun. He's already done it, man. He's done this for years, man. He's just chilling. GU, nice closure above. Damon hasn't closed above yet. I'm sure the stops be there. 12 pip stops. Max, with gold, won't most times you just close when 5 minute close below trend line so you can have a 23 pip stop? Yep, that's true. That is true. Oh, it's breaking the highs. That is true. So this entry, you know, would have worked out. However, it's already hit my TP. So what I saw on back testing was, if the candle before it gets me in has already hit my TP, which would be up here, then I leave it alone. Because a lot of times you get in the retest and you get absolutely slaughtered. So the thing that Manuel waited for here, which is I haven't really been doing yet, but it's good to see it again, is you wait for it to come down, wait for it to not close below, wait for the next one to make a lower wick, and then reflip. Are you going to go for the gold buys? I think they'll probably be missed, to be honest. I really want to get on that flip there.
Jeez, my runner got tapped, man. Pete's sake.
On what?
On GJ.
Yeah, it's GJ fear, bro. Don't even think about runners on GJ. They don't work unless you get Brian autistic entry in the 5 minute.
I love it. Fucking autistic candles.
Even though they make complete sense, it's just I can't fucking go in the 5, yeah. Yeah. Autism normally doesn't make much sense, but that definitely does. 15's closed above. Oh, Manuel, he may have a stinker over here, eh?
When does he not have one? That's the problem. It's irritating me.
Well, I mean, the thing I think what Manuel does, he just takes every single fucking one. Every single one, even comes retail, he takes every single one. So by the end of the session, he's already taken 10 trades, so he's happy to take more, right? Because, you know, if he takes 1 L, he doesn't give a fuck. He's already had taken 10.
And the losses are tiny anyway on it.
Yeah.
Andre also got into the doesn't even say.
Beautiful. I want one down here. I wish I fucking took it now. Just 30 pips is just a little bit. But, I mean... Yeah.
Max, I think you need to tune her as well. She didn't say anything. She was tight-lipped.
She was what?
She was tight-lipped. Look at that stanker. Oh my days.
Yes. Look at that.
That's actually nice because check, they were engulfed all that garbage to the left.
The minor range.
Yeah.
One of my players, boy, I'll take that.
I'll take that any day. You know, she didn't even give a person a heads up.
Yeah, it's probably because you keep asking pictures, mate.
So that's 26 pips, but then you can manage risk when it starts coming in that area anyway. Like that. That's what you do.
Yeah.
I think the one thing that with the trend line is the only issue that I have with it is that normally if it's already ran and it's already missed your entry and you've missed it, normally getting it a little bit higher is a lower probability that's going to work out. And to save your FOMO and your annoyance of taking an L when everyone else has taken a W on the price you wanted to take, you know, like, I don't know, down here if it was there, whatever, it's annoying, right? It's quite annoying. So it kind of saves you from that. You know, I wanted to get in here before. This is my entry. It's just unfortunately one of my rules was there's no 30-minute bottom wick, so that's fine with me. That was a trade. So for me this morning, this is a W session. I'm very, very happy with it. That was the trade I wanted. It's the one I waited for this morning. The only issue was for me to not take it was the 30-minute had a lower wick, and that's fine. If you actually take a look at our backtesting sessions, do we ever take one where there's no lower wick? No. So like, you know, I think people always remember, right? You know, it's all down to you. People could have taken this amazingly. You might have backtested and know, I don't care about the 30, but every single trade I've taken backtesting, there's always been a lower wick or a top wick. So, you know, if it's like me going blind. You know, I could go on NZD USD and take a trade now because it's not something I've backtested. So how the fuck am I gonna know it's gonna work? It's pointless. Yeah. So it's just that kind of mentality. If you don't know what plays out and you haven't backtested it, then probably just either watch it and go, you know what, this is one for the books. If you think that after this session I'm not going to write this down, then you're rudely mistaken. Okay? And then what I'm going to do is, obviously, as time goes on and I start to see these working out, then obviously I'm going to execute. But right now, I'm not.
That's fine. I'll execute.
Exactly, Connor. I like that now. It's getting into literally every single thing you have queries on. Just go backtest it, man. It's free. This software. My only issue is if I give this to the whole of YouTube, will it be okay? Will it be fine? Yeah, that's why.
Thanks for that.
That's why. Because imagine if there's like loads and it just doesn't work. That's the only reason why I don't want to give it to everyone. I was thinking about it before. What if you just check it for me? Actually, I've got my own, but everyone else here, it's an incentive to come to the mentorship anyway. So. Sorry, YouTube.
Pests.
Don't do it on YouTube, yeah. Scott was quick to go there. Nope, that's not a good idea. It's not. The owner of Software Effects is like, why is something happening over here? Why have I got 400 people using it when only 300 people have signed up? This, you know what I mean? I don't know how it works, but something like that could be a little bit. Ooh. GJ looks good to continue bullish, but man, this it's so annoying that this left hand side is garb.
Right, did you already get that? And look at that.
Yeah, I did. I got decent bucks from it anyway, so it's fine. Above 175. Sorry, above 300. What are we thinking? Well, that's your plan, right?
Yeah, my plan is stay the fuck away, but it's nice to hear others.
What does that look like on the 1H? I think you're actually okay because if you leave it there on the 1, you can kind of just see like that, right? Then you got this boy, then you got that. So this doesn't look too bad to come up to that level, right? Because that's a wick for wick.
Oh, for sure. Oh, for sure. It's I think the difference that me and you think, Bri, is that I know I think we both know it's gonna go up. It's just how nice it's gonna go up. This.
100%.
You know what I mean? That's the only thing. I want a clean area because then it's easier to get my 10. But yeah, I think that's why I'm thinking. I think people would be like getting this, especially if the 30 closes bullish above. But the left hand side is just ass, and if you take an L there, you're going to be annoyed with yourself. Missed entry by 1 pip was nice if we made the retest of the Asian highs. Oh, did it work? The GU? Oh, it did as well. That was nice, man. I mean, Michael, even getting in on the flip after it's retested there, because yeah, it should have came down a little bit lower, but look at the stop, man. Top's 9 pips.
Yeah, was the beast. I saw that after.
Yeah, that's good. There's a little one. Well done, GU. Beautiful.
Yeah, I put in my head the entry on the retest, and after that I didn't see the flip. Was good.
Yeah, it was nice. That's clean. Closure above. Look at these strong candles. Do you have a community where you can join or something? Yeah, man. The link is there. It's literally there. The mentorship link. You can speak to these retards in NY session. EJ cleaner than GJ? Yeah. The only issue again is the owl. You have no bottom wick. What do you think of ICT? Don't really know. I just know a lot of people lick its arse, so it could be okay. But could be okay, but it'd be nice to see them trade live. That'd be quite interesting. Did they trade live? Why didn't you get in on EJ on the 5 minutes?
Suits our autistic personality.
Because yeah, Because it hasn't closed above anyway, and I'd want it to close above first. Price came, rejected. It hasn't even closed above yet. It will in 3 minutes time though. Stop loss would be... Oh, mate. How's Jason got Instagram? Let's blow up Instagram. Let's blow up Jason's Instagram. Look on GG on the 4 hour as well. The distance between the next 4 hour res and where prices is 8 pips. Oh, yeah, I'm staying away from these buys. I think that the main thing, especially like this stuff like this, right, is choose your bullets wisely, right? The amount of times I would just go for this when I was younger and then take the losing trade, and you're like, well, that was like, it wasn't even worth it. It wasn't like it was I'd happily take a trade and lose it if it was a nice area, nice trade, a nice stop, a nice flip, whatever. But if it's not looking nice and you take an L, it just hurts you because you just shouldn't have taken it. But if you take a good trade and it just didn't work out for whatever reason, and it was perfect in all aspects, then you've got to take them because probability is never 100%. Mate, you serious? He proofs all his trades, but he's honest and genuine guy. Wait, who's this? I got faked out in GJ today. Impatient. Ooh, faked out? Where from, my man? Here? The 30 minute? Might be in it, even though it didn't really close below anyway, but might have called that fake out. EJ 30 minute, yeah. We'll see. Yeah, it moves pretty clean as well, so it looks okay. We'll see on the lower wick. The reason why I need a lower wick is because stops are gigantic. Stop loss on the previous low would be 18 pips. Would you consider the retest? Do we need, yeah, I mean, where would the retest be? It's kind of already really made the support. The only issue with the retest, if price comes down here, is that you have the probability that the hourly is going to make a lower wick, and then your retest is going to get slaughtered. That's the only thing with that. GJ buys 163,229. 163,229. Oh, here. This buy. Yeah. Got faked out on this candle. GJ's a strong closure, man. Oh, it's a shame the higher time frames look shit. Look at that 5 minute closure. What would you call that 5 minute closure there, Bri? Would you... A what?
Fuck up.
Yeah. It's a very small closure. And where is it a small closure at? The res? Oh. We'll see, man. I mean, if it wicks to there, 230, and then breaks the high, you might be able to get a couple pips and break even. We'll see. Look at EJ as well. Yeah, EJ's breaking highs as well. Hard to say if it yeah, exactly. Yeah, the retest and EJ would be right at 1, so the price would be at 138 and coming down from there. Yeah. Hard. If it's too hard, man, if it's hurting your brain too much, it's probably not there, right? Yesterday there's a lot of nice entries. Today there's some nice ones a bit earlier on, but if it's too hard, then just leave it out. Don't try not to get butthurt about not taking trades in one session or one day. It doesn't matter. You're not gonna be crying about that at the end, are you? If I take 10% like I normally do every single month at the end of this month here, are people gonna be looking at my £10,000 gain or £13,000 gain? No, they're like, whoa, that's amazing, oh my god. But then there's some goons in the chat will go, oh, you didn't take a trade this day, you don't execute. I don't give a fuck. I've made 13 grand. Thank you very much.
True.
I picked my bullets, and right now the bullets are in my pocket.
They haven't left your pocket.
Yeah. Apart from that gold one. That gold one was good. Ah! The good thing is, again, is that the gold trend line worked out beautifully again this morning on both examples. So it's so nice. Well, 3 examples, really. So nice to see it working out every single day. But there is going to be days where it is garbage. We've been very, very lucky recently because gold's moving nicely. But when gold doesn't move, you've got to be able to run it back and not take the trades, okay? There's an example in September in the G drive where a whole week was just shit. And every single trend line trade didn't work because the zone was so bad. So you've got to be able to also switch it off.
Yeah, I'm just waiting on my commissions now, man.
Chase, don't you worry, I'll be paying your bills. Jason, I also said you make a 5-minute trend line webinar and I'll pay you. But you never did it.
I honestly, to be honest with you, I don't think it's necessary with all the simulations we have done.
Yeah, there's not much need anymore.
Yeah, I'll just.
That's true.
Simple enough. Everyone knows
so that I can get a buck out of you, and I'm not. That's not me, you know, doing it for the sake of getting a buck out of you. So I feel the simulation has been enough for each and everybody. And if you still don't get it, it's fine. Practice more. Practice more.
Practice.
That's all you can do. There's not much. There's not much to it at the end of the day. So you need to obviously know how to do your zones, etc. And then once you know how to once you have your zones down, then it's just about throwing on that game, man, and getting confidence to taking the trade. You know, timing of the trade, checking the higher time frame. Like everything is like normal.
Making bank, boy. That's all I care about. Making bank.
Straight banks.
Just bank, boy.
Manuel, how much you up, my boy? 40 pips.
I'm up 40, almost 50 pips.
Nice.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Also, like with this one, you check wing golf the range to the left. You see that, Maxi?
Wait. Yeah. Oh, yeah. It was beautiful.
So also, if you check at the bottom, at the initial entry, like the flip, the fifth entry, so we engulf that range, retest the range, so we don't have an untested at the bottom. So
yeah, that's good. Because there was one example actually, which we went through in the backtesting simulation a couple of days ago, and basically there was a trade just like this up here. The issue was that below there was an untested area here. Like that candle wasn't there, it's untested, and it didn't work out. It flew. John,
so we'll come all the way down.
Yeah.
Because that is basically acting as a magnet for price to come to, and there's orders down there that have to be captured. So. Yeah.
Makes sense. John Wick, end stream L Trader. Okay, because he said that, I'm gonna end the stream, guys. I'm sorry. I'm gonna cry. I like it now. I find it enjoyable. When I like back at the start, I hated it. Like, oh, but now I love it. I find it funny. Give me more.
The fact that he can't even put his own name there. You know, the fact that he's going with John Wick.
John Wick.
Nah, people like it. People like trolling this. They find it funny. I don't really know why they find it funny, because I don't. But some people like it, man. Some people they're so bored.
Fucking troll.
Well, most of them are quite bored, aren't they? Probably. So.
This US 30 trade obviously came back to break even.
The what? Which one? Is US 30 trade? Yeah, it went back to break even. I just couldn't comment on Max's stream. To make it feel like a dub.
Wait, sorry. I just want to know who's this iPhone gentleman in the Zoom chat.
Why?
Just in boost. Who is this? Who is this guy? Can you please just say what your name? State your name, cuz.
State your name, cuz. So GU guys, the TP1 was there, 10 pips, beautiful. That res TP2 is going to be hit right now, which is this res, 20 pips. That was class, man. Fuck, if that was GJ, Let's take a
Come on,
look.
guys. See you later.
See you later, brother. Yeah,
Yeah,
I might leave it until later on today, and then we'll see what we can get later on, man. Beautiful, beautiful work. Nice little options all day. I mean, there's the GU trade that I talked about, the GJ, which is break of the highs are nice here. Also, that closure there was really nice that Brian was very quiet for. Also, the sell's back, man. This is the one I wanted, but fucking gold I had to look at. Piece of shit. This one here, yeah. Hey ho, that was beautiful. Closure back below the Asian filler range to this support there. At least 10 pips. Continue down to 32. It was amazing.
Also say the 15 salary. There's a no bottom.
With a no bottom wick, but those are beautiful if you like sweaty balls. Even though it was 0 sweaty balls today, but
It was 0 because it came down, it tested the body of the previous candle, and it shot up.
yeah. So now, hopefully, in the next couple hours, we get past all this garbage. This will be beautiful. Oh, it's a shame it wicked you guys out. Fuck.
Yeah, but you still get partial, so it's fun.
Yeah. Ah, Brian. Look what I've just realized.
Yeah.
Resistance here, 750. Nice.
Yeah, that's really cool.
Yeah.
All good.
I think someone said there, Alex. Hey man, do you know any good backtesting simulations for Mac by any chance? Can you run it on Mac?
I'm not too sure.
Does anyone run software effects on Mac?
Don't think you can.
I think having a Mac is a bit of a disadvantage. It's
For
the same
that.
like the Android users will slag the guys having an iPhone, so it's the same.
Yeah.
The Android you can do so many things on there. Yes, with Apple you're so limited.
Added trades called section. Yeah, I had one before actually. Where is it? Yeah, I could.
Joe, you had a cock out over there, man.
Oh, God,
Man, he's getting his balls sucked over.
helicopter.
Bye, see you later.
See you later, Michael, my man. See you later, brother. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna leave off over here. See GJ push up over here. Very nice. Beautiful. The best entry was this one though. Oh my god. Ah, mate.
I'm deep about that.
I'm going straight on Amazon and buying a fucking another monitor so I can have that 5-minute on. That one trade would pay for 10 monitors, so what's the fucking point?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, thank you so much for coming on, and I'll see you guys later. See you guys for NY, guys.
Thanks for everything, Max.
See you later, Brian, Baldy.
You're amazing.
Catch you guys.
See you later. See you guys. Adios. See you later, YouTube. Thanks so much for coming on. Make sure you like the stream before you leave. One break-even trade this morning. I liked the gold one at the start, but I just couldn't get in because of the low wick. But beautiful, man. See you guys tomorrow, and yeah, peace out. If you guys do want to join the mentorship, I've got a lot of questions on it. Make sure if you guys have any questions on it, just ask me on Instagram, just message me about it, and I can give you the breakdown of what's included and all that kind of stuff. I'll put the link here as well for it if you want to sign up. And yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow.